Dr. Gold in the lab, Twitch stream glowing, formulas flashing, minds wide, knowledge flowing, equations on the board, numbers never sleep, teaching math and physics while them haters count sheep. Actual education, tune in and get schooled, flipping textbooks, breaking all the rules, from Newton to Einstein, concepts elevate. Keep the stream, it's the key to our fate. Dr. Gold dropping gems, knowledge raining down, actual education making scholars all around. Perpendicular minds, angles sharp as ice, maths and physics, yeah, the future's real nice. Got the Pythagorean triangles about to flex, quantum theories on deck, breaking all the specs, relativity theories, worlds getting small, grasp the universal laws, standing tall. From the atom to the cosmos, we rolling deep, grafing up the stars, no time to sleep. Black holes and supernovas, concepts we unfold, brain power heavy, yeah, that's Dr. Gold. Dr. Gold dropping gems, knowledge raining down, actual education making scholars all around. Perpendicular minds, angles sharp as ice, maths and physics, yeah, the future's real nice.
What's up, everybody? Oh, yeah, let me start the stream. There we go. All right. What's up, Bella? Good to see you. What's up, Aduki, Sauna, Laz, Apex? What's up, guys? Good to see you, man. Nice. Let's see. Hey, Bella, how's it going? Were we helping you with stats, I think, earlier? You had a test coming up or something, right? It's Wednesday. Halfway to the weekend. And then what? I guess most of you guys get... Some people get all of next week off because of it's like Thanksgiving. I know. When I was in school, we at least still went up until Tuesday or Wednesday. But I know some schools, they get the whole week off. For those that aren't from the U.S., Thanksgiving is a really big holiday for us. Fun time. Yeah, you get a 1 week break? Oh, wow, that's dope.
That's dope.
Bella says they get Wednesday half off, and then the rest is off. Right, you get Thursday and Friday off. The exceptionally cruel thing I've seen is with some of my work buddies is they don't get Friday off. Like, you get Thursday off for Thanksgiving, but then they make you go into work on Friday?
No.
Oh, that's terrible. Like, I'm going to, eat myself stupid on Thursday. I don't want to do anything on Friday. I feel like it's part of the American tradition. You have to eat until you hate yourself. Yeah. What's up, Ace? Good to see you, dude. All right. Nice. Yes. What's going on? News. Oh, we're going to have a Fortnite tournament on Saturday. So if you play Fortnite and want to earn some V-Bucks or win some V-Bucks, join in. It's going to be 3 p.m. Pacific, 5 p.m. Central, 6 p.m. Eastern. I'll probably play for like 2 hours, but basically hop on in and we'll start randomly pairing people up for trios. And whichever match ends up getting the most amount of eliminations and the best round score wins V-Bucks. So... Getting back to my roots, I started this whole Discord playing video games with students and stuff, and then being like, "Hey, nice on getting the back-to-back BR wins, but how can we help you out with your math class?" And then I've been doing a lot of the math stuff, but kind of neglecting the video games. So I'm like, "All right, let's go back to the video games." So I want to play, but I'm so bad. Don't worry, it's okay if you're bad. Yeah, don't worry. So here's the thing: I play with all the trios, and I'm not the best player. So you may get carried by someone who's like really good on your trio team, and in that case, you win. And actually, sometimes people like this because it gets us into easier lobbies if people on the team aren't as good. So it's a whole thing. Just the fear of bringing them down? No, don't worry about that. No, because again, you probably will produce easier lobbies for the people, and Also, I promise to play at least 2 rounds with everybody. So even if, someone says, "Oh, my third sucks," it's like whatever. You have an opportunity to play with another person again. But yeah, no fear. And you know what? I may do a participation prize. So sometimes what I'll do is, depending how many people end up, playing, if there are a lot of people, I'll put another random drawing just for anybody who at least played 1 match. Dookie says, "Is it solo?" No. Read the rules. It's trios. I play with 2 other people, and then we just see how we do. Yeah. Not even trying the boss. Hey, what's up? Hey, how are you? Hey, how are you? Is that Sensation? Is that you in the YouTube, dude? Are you in the YouTube right now? Anyways, okay, cool. I see we got a lot of questions today, so let's get around to them. And help you guys out for your classes coming up. All right, let's start off. Welcome everyone, office hours. My name is Dr. Gold, Sexual Education. Student helps you out with math homework, science homework, all sorts of fun stuff. All of which are American dreams. What is this? All of which American? What are you saying, Sensation Dog? What's going on in the chat, bro? I'm a little confused. Here, let me delete all this. We have way too many pages of stuff. Goodbye, pages. All right, cool. All right, let's see who's first up. I see Bella's got questions. Kaz got questions. Darsh, Equity posting his math Waterloo stuff. It's actually Equity. So that stuff got solved. In I think it was Zach's stream. So I'll point you to that. I appreciate the math challenge questions, but at some point they just make me upset. Because even like brilliant ass fucking math people can't figure them out. Like, you need to know tricks. It doesn't really test how good you are at math. It just tests whether you can see like some really obscure trick, which, okay, whatever. Anyways, let's see. Is it Darsh here? Or is that you, Anuki? Or Dookie? Is that you? Are you a Darsh? Okay. Y'all have like different Twitch usernames and oh, that is you. Okay, cool. All right. Here, let's do your question first. And then I'll start running through all the ones. Let me see. Bella, what did you post? I want to see what you posted. You posted. Oh, this looks like. Is this statistics? This looks like statistics, or probability, or something. Yeah, it looks like statistics. Okay, fun. All right, it shouldn't take too long. Let's see. Okay, a toy company tried selling toys at various prices to see how much profit they would make. Ooh, what type of toys are they making? That's a good question. Selling price X and the total profit earned Y. Write a quadratic regression equation, round all variables to the nearest hundredth. Wow. What? The fuck? Yeah, I know how to maybe write a linear regression. How the fuck do you write a quadratic regression? Christ. Okay. I know how to do this with a graphing calculator. Is there a way you're supposed to do this by hand? Like, am I supposed to like a least squares regression? I'm just curious. Like, what? Let's ask ChatGPT. I can use a calculator. Cool, thank you. All right, I'm gonna use a calculator just because. Even a linear regression, dog, by hand just fucking sucks. It's a massive mess. Like, you got to do all the sum of squares, the sum of these, and like. Here, I'll show you guys the equation for it, but it's not really nice.
Nice.
Wow, thanks for the follow, Suburban Line. Let's see. Linear regression equation. Okay, here we go. Let's see what the linear regression equation is. It's well that, but then how do we determine it? Yeah, this is how you figure it out. Yeah, it sucks. You gotta do a bunch of. Oh, why didn't my thing show up? What the hell? Oh, here it is. Sorry, one sec. Linear regression equation. Yeah, this is the way to determine it. Using math and by hand. You have to go through all the terms and like calculate. This is called like sum of squareds. Like sum of squared inners, sum of squared outers, or something. It's kind of a mess to do by hand because you got to do it to all the different data points. I have absolutely no clue how you do it for let me see what the quadratic regression equation is. Probably sucks. Quadratic regression equation. Yeah, even worse. Yeah, I don't like that. What? Excuse me? Okay, this is how you compute a quadratic regression. But we're not going to choose violence today. So, yeah, let's do it using the handy dandy calculator. So, the way to do this, pull up your calculator. And we're going to input the data points in. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go second list here. Or actually, I'm just going to click stat. And then hit edit. And then here you see like L1 and L2. These are all the data points that we're basically going to mimic with this stuff. We're going to put this stuff into here, into the calculator. Okay. So, for L1, let's see. I got 8, and then 10, then 13.5, 19.75, and 23. Cool. Let's go over to the next column. Put it in our profits. So 193, 255, 357, 343, 280. Okay, cool. And we could graph this if we want. So I can go second stat plot here. We turn this plot on. And then let's have it. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, cool. And then I got to go to zoom, and you want to set this to zoom stat. That'll make it so that the window looks nice. So if you hit enter here, there we go. This is a plot of what we got. So, kind of cool to see. This is like what happens if I were to plot the data, which you can see does look like a quadratic. It looks like a parabola, right? If I wanted to try to make a graph that, or a line or something that went through all this, right? It would look something like this, yeah. Okay. Which tells us that there is some point. Let's remember what the axes are, right? Profit is Y, so this is profit on the Y-axis. And then this is the price on the X-axis. So what this is telling us in this graph here is that as I raise the price on something, I make more money. Until I raise the price too much, and then profit starts going down. This is how like simple economics work. It's actually a very real world thing. I'm sure you've seen it with I don't know, maybe food or stuff. You make more money if you make the food cost more money, right? If McDonald's starts charging like $10 for a Big Mac, which I think they do, they make more money on the Big Mac. But eventually, if they charge too much money, people are going to stop buying it, and then you don't make any money. Yeah, you're learning this in economics. Yes, this is very cool. So this is a real world application of it. So there's a sweet spot. There's a sweet spot where you can charge enough money that you will make a lot of profit, but also people will still buy it. If they started selling Pokemon cards for like $200, no one would buy the Pokemon cards. And then Pokemon would be broke and they'd have no money and, oh dear. So there's a sweet spot. That's what we found here. So again, if you want to find the equation for this, the way to do this on your calculator is you can go here to, I believe it's stat, calc, and then go down here to quadreg. It's a quadratic regression, which means that's something of the power squared. Cubic is of the power third, and quartic here is to the power to the fifth. So that's impressive that this will go up to the fifth power, but we're just going to do a quadratic regression. Cool, blah, 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 blah. And then what I can do is I can store that equation into something. Let's store that equation into, I think you do vars, yvars, function, y1. Yeah, there we go. That's what I want to do. Okay, cool. So this is going to calculate it. And so this is what we get for our equation. So this is the output of the function, okay? And so what that means, so notice how right here it's very cool. It gives you the equation like and all the numbers. So right, y is equal to ax squared, where a is equal to this negative 2.4. So you can say, cool, y is equal to, let's round everything to like just one decimal place. Negative 2.4 x squared. and then it would be plus 80.4x, and then minus 300. Okay? So that's how we took this information and we wrote out what the linear regression is. Now, if you wanted to actually graph this is pretty cool. You can go right back here to your graph here, and the cool thing about us saying to store it as y1 is it's now in the TI-84 in y1 here. So if I go to trace, you'll see our line here will literally try to fit the points. This is very cool. I nerd out. This calculator is super powerful if you know how to use it. And I hope with these streams that y'all can like start to see how things work with it. But anyways, so that's what it looks like. Okay. Okay, and they say using your equation, find the profit for selling at a price of $5.50. So notice here on the data, right? We don't have $5.50, right? I mean the lowest price I have is $8. Technically, doing this, like using this line to predict dollar amounts that are less than between the dollar amounts that we already had. This is called extrapolation. Yes, extrapolation bad. Yeah, bad, very bad. We don't like extrapolation. Sad. Anyways, so, but we're gonna do it anyways because your teacher wants you to. So what you could do is you could plug in 550 into X here and get the amount. I can also kind of cheat here because if you go, because the calculator will do this for you. If you go to second table here, second, we got to do table set. We got to say independent ask. Okay. And if we go to table here, I can just start typing numbers in here. Look, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and it will automatically tell me what the Y value would be for that graph. So anytime I put a number in on this X column here, it plugs it in to this formula, and then it tells me what Y is. It's a shortcut. It's very cool. All right, so anyways, this is 4.5. Hit enter. Or actually, no, we want 550, right? So 550, 5.5. And you can see that gets me 69.9. Okay, cool. Oh, they went to the nearest cent, so 69.93. Okay, so this would be $69.93, which you can see kind of makes sense, right? Because at $8, my profit was $1.93, so I assume if I'm selling it for less, that this should also go down as well. Now to find, can I cheat with a calculator, like make my calculator into a phone? I've seen some, I'll show you. There's some funny things on the news for people doing that. But yeah, there's that. If you wanted to find the max profit, that's pretty easy. All you do is you go second calculate, you say maximum, and then you got to say like what the bounds are. So I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to say find the maximum between, I don't know, like 1, oh, well, sorry, it has to be on the graph, sorry. Find the maximum between $8 and $23, whatever, and it'll tell you right there. The maximum profit, you could say this to your teacher, just like get some bonus points here. So max profit is $372 when price is equal to 16.7. He's just checking for the answer. Yeah, okay. I mean, that's cool. I mean, answers are great. But it's also cool to see, you know, like, why the hell are we doing this? You know, like, this is useful in real life. The next useful thing would be to figure out, again, like, where's the maximum profit? That's the whole reason you make these graphs, is to figure that out. Anyways, he doesn't really check the work. Well, I want you to make sure you know the work. So, anyways, all right, cool. That make a little bit more sense to you, Darsh? Yeah. You can find the zeros if I really wanted to. Yeah, Jeff is going for all the bonus points. Yes, you're very welcome, dude. Nice, good job. And here, I'll give you the screenshot.
Well done! Well done!
Where's the, one sec. There we go. Nice. Okay, cool. My Darsh. Or as Sensation says, Adarash. Dude, it's a Darsh. Yeah, get it. Okay, cool, dude. All right. Bell's asking, like, can you turn your calculator into a phone? There actually was someone that did this. What was it? Do you know anything about approximating the two-dimensional polynomials if you're limited to n separate polynomials? I do not. Two-dimensional polynomials. So you mean what? There's an x and a y in it? Where was it? Someone turned a TI-84. TI-84 ChatGPT. What's up, Echo? Yeah, dude, this is it. Look, someone took their TI-84 here, and they turned it into a the ultimate cheating device is what they say.
All right,
Yeah,
so
it's
here are the
pretty
goals
cool.
for today's videos. World's worst N64 controller. So here's the plan.
Look at the baby.
I've been using these little modules for a while.
So anyways, this guy, uses a bunch of really small chips and stuff, like Wi-Fi chips to... And there's no way this would hide in the calculator. Or maybe he does do it. Oh, he does. Oh, he fits it inside there? Okay. Wow. Yeah, he fits in a bunch of... Okay, what is this? Excuse me? What? Am I seeing, like, ads now? Damn it. Dude, can I just see the video, please? Oh, Christ. Mashable! Okay, there we go. That's what I want. Thank you. Anyways, it's a very cool video. But, yeah, if you look here, he's able to, like... He's able for ChatGPT, like, responds to him on his calculator. Yeah. He doesn't really give the instructions to do it, and also it would be incredibly difficult to do it. So, Blips and Chits. Oh yeah, let's go to Blips and Chits. I fucking love Blips and Chits. That's a good Rick and Morty episode. Oh wow, it can display stuff like this. Oh, this is super cool. What is that? Like an anime character? Oh wow, wow, what? That's pretty cool. I think he did. Are you part of his Discord? Equity? Yeah, you can add Minecraft to it. Let's see. I put it in his Discord. I put it here. And I think he did it in his stream somewhere. Let's go see Zach's stream actually. Let me go find it. He's on Twitch, right? Twitch. E to the 2 pi.
Hello and welcome to E to the 2 pi. My name is Zach.
Yeah, this is his stream, but let me see. Does he have his videos from?
Welcome on in. Happy
This is from 6 days ago?
Thursday to you all.
No. Where's his stream from yesterday? Oh, okay. Well, I guess it didn't record. That's kind of unfortunate. I'll ask him if he solved it on his next stream. They usually post the solutions when they get to it. Okay. What were you saying, Jeff? Oh, he edits before uploading? That's smart. That's smart of him. I keep the raw stuff up there, including all of the slightly sensitive jokes we say sometimes, I guess. Okay, cool. I'll go through it. Yeah. Let me do some normal questions first before I do like math challenge questions and hate myself. All right, let's post it in. Ace, you're up next, and then Kaz, and then Bella. Okay. Draw the wave interference. Oh, this is cool. What's up, Ace? Yeah. Oh, this is cool. Okay. Do we know the speed that they're moving? Oh, each wave moves at 1 square per second. Okay, very cool. Okay, nice. So we have like a wave like this. And then what's happening is this wave is moving this way to the left. Whereas this wave, the green one, sorry, it's moving to the right. This one's moving to the left. And we want to see what happens as they collide. So this is cool. So if these waves, this is called interference. And so it's what happens if you have waves at different amplitudes and whatnot, like coming in and hitting each other. If they're both positive like this, they will end up like stacking on top of each other, which is pretty cool. But if, for instance, let's say you had a wave that was like this, or sorry, let's say you had this wave, and then you had a wave like this, and then they were coming at each other, and then like they like were like this. This ends up like negating itself, and so it just becomes flat. That's called negative interference. You're dealing strictly here with positive interference, which is pretty cool. So yeah, so this is going to move 1 over, right? And then this is going to move 1 over. So that's going to be like that. I agree with that. That's cool. Then they move 1 over again. Okay, so now this one is here. Okay. And this one has moved over here, which is like this. So yes, you're right. Now there's going to be some overlap. But I don't think it's like this. I think it's a lot simpler. Okay, so this, one sec, right? This comes over to here, right? Okay. I agree. But the interference, Ace, isn't going to start until here. You have it starting here, which I don't think is quite correct, right? So basically, so this green here is going to lift this part of the curve up by 1 unit entirely. So what happens is now you end up getting, instead of it being this being here, it ends up being up here. And instead of this being down here, it ends up being, okay. So you had this part correct. It's just this is wrong. Yeah. So this is what you want. You want something like this. Here, let's make it a little thicker. Thick boy. Yeah, there you go. It's like that. And then we can, here, we can get rid of the rest of this. So then it's just, it's going to be, and it's going to be a sharp jump too. So it's going to like just jump immediately. There you go. And then the rest of this is unaffected. So then you end up having this like that. Yeah, there you go. That's what it should be. Yeah, the green did I not move the green one to the left? Oh, did I fuck up? One sec. I think you're right, Jeff. One. Aha. Okay, so you are correct. Yeah, no. I forgot to move the green over. Yep. Yeah, this is physics. Good job, Jeff. Good job, Jeff. Yay, Jeff, you get a gold star. Anyways, I mean the logic is the same. But okay, sure. Right. You have this, then this is now all moved up by 1 because this used to be down here and it all got moved up. And now the green persists over here as well. Okay, cool. Dude, it still doesn't like, it doesn't like NSimplex's name as being, I had to add the permitted term, dude. Dude, it's hilarious, dude. Dr. Pyrite, Dr. Fake Gold, yeah. Okay. All right, so then they move again. All right, so this was here, but now it moves over here. Okay, so this is really interesting. So now, here, let's keep these all drawn so I can see them. This is physics. It's mainly waves is what this is. Okay, so this was like imaginary here, but now it's going to be imaginary here because it moves down. This was imaginary like here, but now it moves over here. So now it's like this. Okay, very cool. So now you're right. the whole thing is going to be raised up by 1, but also the edges, I believe, as well. Yeah. Wow, good stream streak there, guys. 45. Yes, Automod must have got an update to scan for the word chink. Yeah, I guess so. It's kind of funny. Okay. Anyways, all right. So that's going to look like this. Does it go to 0 at the edge? I feel like that's a discontinuity. I feel like it's still positive 1 here. I think the whole thing goes up. I would argue that it looks like this. Well, okay, so it's sorry. Because it was these two on top of each other, so it's going to move on top like this. And then now you're going to get this, I believe. Yeah, same thing. Oh, and then it wants us to move them again? Oh, man. Okay, so that's there. And now Mr. Red has gone from here, and now it's moved over to here. Okay, cool. Or no, it was down. It was right here. Yeah, it's still on the baseline. Okay. So yeah, this part now gets shifted up. Up by 1. And then drops. And then you have the rest of this. Oh, how did this thing go up to? It went up to 2? Yeah. Okay. So then this does this. Good to see you, Pen, by the way. So, Pen, wait, do you grade the Waterloo stuff? Is that what I was kind of hearing? Do you grade the WMC, the Waterloo Math Challenge stuff? Oh, that's very cool. But you hadn't seen that one that I posted? That was Equity, actually, that posted that one. I posted it in Zach's server. That's super cool. Interesting. Yeah, it was very weird. I've never heard of Geimier numbers. I was like, what the hell? Okay, so then that's over here. And then Mr. Red, right? Not Mr. Pink. Reservoir Dogs. It's going to move from here over to here. Okay, cool. And wait, is the red one always just... No, the red one was 4 wide. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Interesting. We're getting the parallax shift from this thing. Let me see. Because this was here. Now it's going to be here. This was here, and now it's going to be here. Okay, so then it's going to be over. Okay. There we go. Let's move the red one over again. There's probably a cool way to do this with like a Desmos animation, I'm sure. But yeah, okay, cool. Man, this would be so hard to teach on regular pen and paper. It's so much easier showing how, like, you know, I can like move this, like move these things in and out. That's so much easier. But anyways, yeah, there you go, Ace. Yeah, University of Waterloo makes up some crazy shit. You're telling me, dude. I saw that. I couldn't stay for the rest of Zach's stream yesterday. Do we know if he solved it? Anyways. Yeah. Oh, you didn't see Pen? Okay, I'll ask when he comes back. Yeah, Ace, I know this looks tricky. The thing how I always do it is I kind of draw what the original thing is. Like, you see how I'm drawing this? And I draw it as it's moving. Oh, that's kind of weird. It's making like, what? How did we get like these teardrops on this thing? That's actually really pretty. What? How the fuck did it do that? I had to take a whole course in this shit universe, this shit in years. One of our professors was studying this field. What, the Geimier numbers or the interference? Oh, wavelets. Yes, this is wavelets. Yes. Yeah, no, he's right. These are wavelets. But yeah, the trick is to draw what the like the unadulterated, the unmodified waves are, and then see where the overlap is, and then just add what the overlap is. So in this case, the green one was nice because all the green does is it just bumps up whatever's on top of it by 1. So that's why when we got here, right, the red wave, if it hadn't been modified, would have just done this, right? You see how it would have just kept going this way. But this green was overlapping it this way, which is going to bump everything up by 1. And that's why this whole thing got moved up and then became this. So you just need to look at the overlap, and hopefully one of the shapes that's overlapping is simple. Like it's just a simple bump up or bump down. And then you just see what happens. So like here, for instance, this is where like the whole red was on top completely of the whole green. And that's why the whole red thing got shifted up by 1 to become the purple. And then, yeah, it just keeps doing that. Anyways, cool. Good job. I'll send you a screenshot of this, but nice.
Well done! Well done!
Laz says, I apparently still have a chance to get an A in my mechanics class instead of an A- if I ace the finals. Oh, nice, dude. Very nice. You're not taking like statics, right? It's like physics mechanics. There we go. Okay. Let's see. Is Kaz here? Otherwise, I'll go help Bella, and then I'll help Equity. I don't see Kaz. Or Chasm. His name is Chasm something. Apex Chasm is his name. That's his name. Let's see if Apex is here. Otherwise, I see Bella in the chat. All right, DM him. Cool. Okay. Yo, what's up? Okay, let's help out Kaz real quick. This shouldn't take too long. It's a very easy question, I think. Just has to do something with physics, waves. No, you're good. You're good, dog. That's why I ping people. Check DMs, yo. All right, what do we got? Lo-fi. Oh. Okay. That's kind of cool. You want me to do that? Let me try that. It says it's kind of dry. All right, here we go. Oh, I need to not have advertisements. Do you think I'll get like bopped though for having lo-fi beats at 20%? There you go. Oh, I kind of like that. It's kind of smooth. All right, we'll experiment. Wait, what? Why don't I hear anything now? Oh, it's live? Wait, someone's doing a live stream of just like lo-fi study beats? That's actually brilliant. Looks like everyone here's from like... All right, whatever. Keep the lo-fi beats on. I like them. They're kind of fun. Sensation's always making great ideas for things to add to the stream. Okay. My question is, a wave travels through a medium and completes... let's see, now it's too loud. Turn you down, lo-fi beats. Make the stream great again? Yeah. MSGA? Masiga or something? All right. Y'all tell me if the lo-fi beats are too loud. A wave travels through a medium and completes 20 cycles in 4 seconds. What is the period of the wave? Also, what is the frequency of the wave? Okay, this is cool. So, this has to do with this. Let's see. Okay. And we could be measuring, let's say, for instance, the height of the wave at a time t. Okay. And then let's say we got something like this. Okay. So what we define as the frequency is equal to the number of cycles. I forget to cycles today. What? Number of cycles in a certain amount of time. It was either lo-fi beats or corn. I don't know if I could teach math to corn, dude. What? Okay. All right. Okay. So this is what's called like one complete cycle, going from like here to here. And we would just figure out the amount of time that takes for that. Yeah, okay. So they tell me right away that it's 20 cycles in 4 seconds. So that's 20 cycles in 4 seconds. You just divide 20 by 4, and that gets you a frequency of 5. Now, frequency is measured in hertz. So this ends up being 5 hertz. Okay. Figured out the first question. Then it says, what is the... Well, we finish out the second part of the question. The first part is actually easier to answer once you've figured out the first part, which is what is the period of the wave. The relationship there is that period is equal to the amount of time divided by the number of cycles. And usually what we usually say is it's like, seconds per 1 cycle is what we say. So here, you can see that you have 4 seconds for 20 cycles. So 4 over 20, that gets you 1/5 or 0.2. And then since our time was in seconds, this is going to be 0.2 seconds. The other cool thing, the relationship between these two, you should kind of see. Do you see how they're reciprocals of each other? Is that frequency is equal to 1 over period. So if you have either one of them, you can just flip it and get the other one. Frequency was 5, so period is 1 over 5, which is 0.2. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, good job, guys. Okay, cool. I'm glad you're learning about waves. Looks like you're learning about waves today in physics, right? This was waves.
Well done! Well done!
Yeah, you're welcome, dude. Okay. Nice. Lo-fi beats. I kind of want to have an idea of using, I don't know, like AI-generated music and then have people in the chat, like, choose what the background music is. I think that'd be kind of fun. Although it would be very... I don't know if I'd be able to teach with certain types of music. You like the waiting music for the stage? Oh. Wait. The Dr. Gold rap stuff? Is that the stuff you like, Bella? Is that what you're saying? Oh no, this one. One sec. Is it this? Yeah, this. I just don't know if I could teach to that. Like that's like too much. I would just be humming it constantly. Okay, Bella, here, let's help you out. And then Equity, I'll go do the math challenge question. Pain. Okay. All right, let's pull this in. Copy image. Go away, Olaf. All right. Okay. Okay. Researchers are investigating whether people who exercise with a training partner have a greater exercise on average. This is 100% true. Like, you don't need a fucking study for this. Like, just from my own personal experience, if I work out with a friend, I burn like twice as many calories as I do if I just work out by myself. Yeah, literally. Yeah, right? Yeah. If I'm left to my own devices to just be at the gym, I don't really get that much of a workout. But if I have someone else next to me, you really do like push each other to like do stuff more intensely, which is cool. We talk, yeah, and the time passes, yeah. Otherwise, yeah, you're on your phone just not working out, yeah. 2 methods of data have been... So method 1, recruit volunteers who are willing to participate. Randomly assign each participant to exercise with a training partner or to exercise alone. Select a random sample of people from all the people who exercise at a community fitness center. Ask each person in the sample whether they use a partner and use a response. Okay, so this is cool. These are 2 different types of experiments, right? This, I believe, is called, like, observational. I haven't even read the question yet, but I just want to kind of, like, talk about what this is. This is observational because you're not, like, putting people into groups and then having them do things and then get different treatments. You're just observing what's already there. And then, yeah, this is experimental. Okay. For each method, the researchers will record the change in the exercise. What's up, Cosmic? How's Diffie Q Land going? Okay. Rough. Rough City. Do you want me to try to help you with some of it? If not, I think Penn Center is streaming today. Let me see. Check the calendar. No, Penn Center isn't streaming today? Penn, weren't you supposed to stream today? I thought I could have sworn I saw you were streaming today. Oh, you had to cancel due to 2 presentations. Okay, that's okay. All good. But anyways, yeah, Cosmic, ask your question. I can try to help you, or we can learn with ChatGPT, or if Penn or one of the other math guys are here in the chat, they can give me some support. Oh, just in general? Okay. Well, yeah, we can try to go over things. 2 presentations. I'm sorry, Penn. Yeah, that's the chair life. Aren't you still the chair of your math department? Okay, cool. He's around to help. Okay, awesome. Thanks, Penn. Yeah, Cosmic, post your question or whatnot, and then Penn Center can help me try to explain it to you. Okay. Describe the population of generalization. Sorry, population of... I could describe what the population is. What's population of generalization? Are you a chair with management that won't help me with regard to AI? I tried to drop out of stats and the department head didn't let me because I would be dropping 2 classes. Don't drop out of this. We can help you with this. This isn't too bad. Bella. Oh, you had a C? Okay. Well, it's not failing. If you have a D or something, yeah, then I know there's like a drop period where you just like, you want to get out of that before things get bad. I'm Asian. I have a D right now. Oh, no. Oh, no. I don't know what the being Asian part has to do with it, but... Except that I guess Asian parents are a little bit more harsh on kids to make sure they have A's. My mom's gonna beat me. Uh-oh.
Stop it.
Get some help.
Get some help.
Okay. I need to know what population of generalization means. I know what a population is, but I don't know what a population of generalization is.
Well, you know how it goes. Asian parents. Why are you not doctor yet? I'm 12.
Why
Come back and talk to me later when you're doctor.
You must be doctor, lawyer, or accountant. Justin wants to speak. What's up, Justin? Come on. A+ in E&M. Good job. Good job, Cosmic. What's up, Just?
What's up?
What's up?
What's up?
What's up? I'm doing some statistics. How's your PS5?
It is honestly so amazing.
Nice, dude.
Playing the same exact games I was playing on my Xbox, but still. Besides one, Spider-Man.
You can play the finals now.
Oh no, I've been able to play the finals. I just been lazy and haven't been doing it.
Oh, you should, yeah. Play
I haven't downloaded that game in forever.
Go get it so we can play.
Like, I haven't had it. Well, I don't got Nitro anymore, so no boost.
Okay. Oh wow. Okay.
Sad.
We'll see. We'll see if I need to give out more boosts.
Yes.
Have you been playing a lot of zombies? You want to know what's cool? I met someone last night at a Burning Man meetup who is the narrator for Treyarch. So she says she worked on Black Ops 6. She was part of the narration team.
She worked on the new map that's coming out in December.
She told me that she mainly works on yeah, like zombies and stuff. And she says, yeah, come back to COD. Because I was complaining that like COD has turned to trash. What's up, Famished?
Dr. Rowe.
Yeah.
The person you talk about, is she the Maya voice actor?
No. She's a part of writing the script. I don't think she's a voice actor. I think she writes the script.
Oh, okay.
I think so. I could
No,
find
wait,
her.
oh yeah, by the way, you want something crazy?
What's up? One sec. I'm thinking about your question, Bella.
If you work at Treyarch, you have to sign an NDA that's with you for your entire life, which means you cannot talk about anything that was added in any game, no Easter eggs or nothing.
Oh, really? Oh, wow.
The NDA.
Oh, I mean, that kind of makes sense. We don't really want you to do that, right? Oh, okay. She's a writer. She's a writer at Treyarch.
She's a writer.
She's a writer at Treyarch. Yeah.
Well, she worked on Black Ops 3. She either worked on campaign. Oh wait, no, you said zombies. That's right.
Yeah, she worked on Black Ops 6 because she said this was This was the Black Ops 6 launch party she went to. 90s throwback theme with DJ Jazzy Jeff, I guess, or something.
The big 21 is gonna do me somewhat good because I know I'm gonna be able to be accessible to more things.
Yeah. I've actually some more cool pictures from it, but I guess not. Anyways, okay, here. Let me help out the statistics. Let me help out Bella with this statistics questions. When I apply to X.AI, I won't be able to apply to it in a lot of other places. Are proprietary now. Oh, interesting. Yeah, they have a lot of non-competes, right? Yeah, like you're not allowed to apply for other places. It kind of sucks. It's like radius clauses on like artists, especially in generative AI. Yeah. Is that the presentation you're having to do, Penn Center? Is that similar to the thing I saw you and Zach doing? On one, you had a stream where you guys were talking about AI and education and stuff. I remember at one point. I'm writing my first IEEE lab report paper, and yes, LaTeX is great. Join the dark side, Cosmic. We love LaTeX. Okay, let me help out 1 sec. Population of generalization 1. So generation 1. So method 1 is a volunteer sample. So you're recruiting volunteers who are willing to participate. So this is like the general population, right? And also this is like kind of a weird. I know they don't like this in statistics, right? Because people who are willing to it's like a convenience sample, I guess, right? Yeah. Whereas method 2, this is like the population of gym goers. Right? Because here in method 2, you're only selecting people who exercise at a fitness center, whereas method 1 is you're saying like whoever, like who wants to join my survey. Yeah, so I feel like this is trying to make conclusions about the population as a whole, whereas this is making conclusions about people who already go to the gym, which is going to be probably biased, I'm sure. I'm presenting to students who almost broke their NDA why they shouldn't misuse generative AI. Really? Wait. One second. Wait, I didn't know about this. Okay. Wait. I'm presenting to students who almost broke their NDA. Wait. Why are the students signing NDAs? Anytime I hear the word like NDA, I start thinking of like someone's like covering up for like raping someone or something. Like I signed an NDA. It's like, okay. Your silence was bought out. And since my management didn't immediately suspend them, I'm also applying for other jobs. Oh, because they're working with health data. Oh. Interesting. Oh, are you saying they used ChatGPT to feed in personal health data about people? Sorry, that's breaking, like, in the US we call it HIPAA laws, HIPPA, which is like health information privacy stuff. Yeah, okay. I can't let them leak it in the ChatGPT. Yeah, exactly. I mean, there are ethical ways to do this, I guess, right? If you scrub the data such that you're not like giving personal information, such as like the patients just have numbers, not names, then I think it's okay, right, to feed this in the ChatGPT. I teach them about HIPAA. Yeah, okay, yeah. Yeah, you gotta scrub the data. You gotta anonymize it or something. Okay. But Bella, does this make more sense? Right? I feel like this is the general population because it's you don't talk about you're just recruiting volunteers from wherever. And then for this it's like people. You said this in the homework. I think it's right too. Okay, cool. It says, suppose the investigation produces a result that is statistically significant using both methods. What can be concluded if method 1 is used that cannot be concluded if method 2 is used? I guess that amongst all people versus saying amongst only gym goers. Is that the difference? I feel like that's the difference between the two. In Canada, we are not allowed to use third parties to look at data, especially if it's not in Canada. Chat is very, yes, San Francisco. That's a big no-no. Yeah. Canada with all their laws. You know, here, speaking about ChatGPT and like private health data, let's throw this in the ChatGPT, Bella. Yeah, the wordiness makes me confused too. Here we go. Let's just do it. I just want to see what ChatGPT does. Answer this. I just like to see what it comes up with, you know. Again, I think ChatGPT is a great tool. In this case, I already know what I think the answer is. I'm curious what they think the answer is. And then I'm going to compare. So good. Yeah, they say method 1 is all individuals who are willing to participate. Exactly. And yeah, whereas population 2 only refers to people that are going to the gym. Right. Exactly. Okay. Interesting. Yeah, method 2 does not involve random assignment. Oh, interesting. I like ChatGPT's analysis here. This is actually pretty cool. Right. It can only really determine an association. Yes. So this goes into what we were talking about here, Bella, right? The difference between this being experimental versus being observational, okay? So with experimental, you can take like a control group and then like a treatment group and see if there's a difference between the two. Observational is kind of like just trying to take whatever data you already have there and like mold it into like these two groups. But there's a lot of other confounding variables that aren't taken into account for. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. With observational, yeah, you don't really have a control group, right? You just have people and you're like, oh, do you have a partner? Yes. Do you work out harder? And then it ends up being like, yes. So an example here where how this could be confounding is, let's say, for instance, that girls don't usually have partners. Let's say, like, no partners. And that guys do have partners. I don't know. I don't know if this is true or not, but whatever. Let's just say if for whatever reason there's a difference between the genders in whether they're more likely to have a gym partner or not. Then for each method, record the targeted intensity for each person. We'll record the change in the targeted exercise intensity. Right, exactly. Right. So you're just looking at the intensity between the two groups, which, I mean, let's say all the girls like do yoga, which is a low intensity exercise, whereas all the guys are doing squats. Which is actually usually opposite because girls actually always do squats. So, okay, whatever. We'll say the girls do squats and let's say the guys do bench press. Okay. Yeah, whatever. Okay. one of these is more intense than the other. I think actually squats is more intense, okay? So this would incorrectly come up with the assumption that not having a partner means you work out harder, right? When in fact, it's not because they don't have a hard partner, it's because they are girls and they do squats versus guys who love to bench. Yeah. So yeah, it's cool. It's cool. And so this is why I love ChatGPT. Is I wouldn't have picked up on that if I hadn't like seen the little nod. And I'm like, oh, okay, ooh, that is cool. Yeah, they do bring up a good point about that. So yeah, method 2 doesn't have any random assignment. You're just looking at what happens, and there can be other confounding variables that cause there to be changes. Oh, yeah, sorry. Here, let me give you the permission. You can say bad words. My bad. One sec. Where's can say bad words? Where's that? Can say bad words. Where's that one? We have so many roles in this server. Fuck was it? Can post links. Does not need an adult. Can say bad words. Okay, there you go. I give it to you. There you go. You can say whatever now. Okay, one sec. Let me see. ChatGPT is bad for writing essays. It's good for setting up a skeleton. I use it all the time to like what I'll do is I'll put down a bunch of bullet points of like what I'm trying to say, and then have ChatGPT try to write something, and then based on that, based on the structure it sets up, I will then go in and modify everything for like what I think I would write. It's actually, again, it's a tool, and it's I forget what the term for it is, but I remember in English classes, you're supposed to like write like a skeleton of what your essay is first, and then you're supposed to write what it is. For me, it just takes that step out of the way so that I can get straight into just writing, which I really like. Is 9.96 out of 10 good for my homework? You're great, Cosmic. That's fine. Try again. ChatGPT, which answer did it get wrong, Cosmic? I use it for graphic organizers, but if I ask it to make a whole essay, it's ass. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, don't depend on ChatGPT to do the whole thing. Miniki says, can you explain gravitational potential? Sure. Do you have an example question of it? Or what type of gravitational potential? Are you talking about like just like physics 1 gravitational potential or what? Yeah, let's see it. Anyways, Bella, does that help you out with your question and whatnot? Yes, cool, awesome, good job. Or wait, so yeah, what's up? Wait, so what? Oh, what are you saying? Oh, okay. So it says, suppose the investigation produces a result. Okay, what can be concluded by method 1 that cannot be concluded if method 2? So in method 1, you can conclude that having an exercise partner causes you to work out more intensely. Whereas you can't do that with method 2 because there is no control group. And there could be confounding variables, so all you can prove is an association. Whereas with method 1, you can get closer to proving a causation. I know technically in statistics, nothing is proven to be causation. It's all correlation, but whatever. It's just like, it's the effect is more relevant in method 1. Yeah. In here, if you want, Bella, I think I can copy this for you. There you go. That's the output from ChatGPT. So, just take it as it is and write it in your own words. That's what I say. Yeah, you're very welcome, dude. All right. Good job, Bella. Okay, cool. Let me give you a point. Miniki. Physics high school level. And then Equity, I'll do one of your channel. Equity, which one did you want help with? What was the challenge question? Miniki, you gotta let me know like what high school you're in. So this is why so usually Miniki, what we have in our server, if you want to join the Discord, is that students post screenshots of like what their homework questions are, and then it's a lot easier for me to determine exactly what level of understanding you need for things, and then how I can help you with it. But I could try to it's IB, okay, or like AP Physics, okay. So are you doing conservation of energy? Oh yes, cool. You have an example question? Yes, there you go, awesome. Yeah, Sensation posted the Discord link. Go to the Discord, and then inside Discord, or do you have Discord? And then, yeah, there's a whole channel here called Help Screenshots. That's the best way for me to help you, because then I know exactly what level you're at and what you need to know. You can try sending the text of it here. It's an RQ question? What does that mean? FRQ? It's an FRQ question? Oh, okay. All right, that's fine. Yeah, I got you. No, yeah, that's cool. I can do that real quick. Okay. Find the change in height if the person uses... Okay, you got more stuff, Bella? Nice. We'll go over that. Let me do this. Let me do equities, and then we'll do yours. If person uses 2 to 10/3 of... I assume that's gravitational potential energy, right? Okay. So, gravitational potential energy, which we usually write as UE, is equal to mgh. Okay? And if we want to know what the change in that energy is, right? That's gonna be the change in the height, because usually the mass does not change and then g does not change. Okay? So if you have, let's say for instance, a ball, okay, which starts at h is equal to 0, right? Then the gravitational potential energy, mgh, which is 0, is equal to 0. Now, if I take this ball here and move it up to up here, right? Now it's going to have a new height. Okay. And that will be h is equal to something, all right? And we know that the amount of energy that was being used in order to raise this thing from here to here was equal to 2 times 10 to the 3 joules. Okay. So, yeah, U represents gravitational potential energy. So it's the energy associated with how high something is. Okay? Not like how high it is like drug high, but like, you know, like what its height is. Okay? So, if something... Yeah, you're good. Yeah. And you always get to mark which height is 0. In this case, I'm calling the ground 0. You can call anything 0. As long as every height you measure is measured from that same, like, we say baseline point. Okay? Because what ends up happening is that, like, the energy is going to equal to the change in the potential energy, gravitational potential energy, which is the potential energy at the final minus the potential energy at the initial. Have you seen this before? Have you seen this, like, this triangle thing, this delta thing? Okay, cool. I see it. Just, yeah. Okay, good. All right, yeah. So, again, we have 2 times 10 to the 3 is equal to the final potential energy. So that's going to be mgh minus the initial potential energy, which was mg, and here the height was equal to 0. Okay? There's kind of a cool thing here. And so actually, here's a cool thing. We let's just call this, like, let's say this is height final. Let's call this height initial, because I want to show you a cool little property here. Notice how I can pull out mg from both things here. I can factor it out. So this is mg hf minus hi. 2 times 10 to the 3rd. Okay. So when figuring out the amount of energy that changes due to things being at different heights. I only care about the difference in the height. So it doesn't matter which one you call 0, because at the end of the day, we just care about the change in it. So for instance, if I call this height 10, and then I measured this as being 20, the change, right, final minus initial is still just 10. If I end up calling this 0, and then this is 10, the change is still 10. So it's just a thing that comes up in physics. It doesn't matter what you call 0, as long as you measure all the heights from the same 0 point. Okay, issue here, I need to know the mass of this item to figure out the change in height. Do you know what the mass is of your object? You can't do this without the mass, unfortunately. Let's say 10, sure, okay, cool. So, that's 10. This is also 10, right? Okay, cool. So then I got 2 times 10 to the 3 over 100 is equal to, this is going to be like the change in height, right? So that's going to be equal to 20, right? 2,000 divided by 100. So we would say 20 meters is equal to the change in height. Should it be 2 sig figs? Yeah, I don't know. I'm just, whatever. You want to use 9.8? Okay, he wants to get fancy with me. Okay, fine. Yeah, that depends on your teacher. Some teachers like 10, some people like 9.8, some people like 9.81. But sure, let's call this 10. Let's call this 9.8. Then this would be divided. D's, yeah, whatever. This is 98. Okay, cool. So then if I divide
G is
this,
9.81.
9.81 technically. Pull up the calculator. Like, I assume you guys know how to do sig figs. Wait, no, that's 2,000. 2,000 divided by 98 gets you 20.4. So to 2 sig figs, it's still 20. Right? Yeah. Delta H equals 20. 10 is insanity. Yeah. Yeah, you still get the same answer. It's still 20 meters. Yeah. It's 9.8 meters per second squared, technically, if you want to get fancy with it. But so yeah, that's what it is. That's how high you could raise the ball if you put 2,000 joules of energy into it. Does that kind of make sense, Minicky? That's okay. Yeah, you can use delta Y if you want. That's fine. Yeah, delta whatever. It just, yeah, the reason I say delta H is because you specifically want whatever the coordinate is that is pointing up against gravity. In later classes, you may be dealing with things in three-dimensional planes, such like this, okay? So then you have a Y, you have an X, and then this is Z. So then gravitational potential energy only matters about this direction. Like Y and X are in the horizontal direction. So those do not change gravitational potential energy. Okay, cool. Great. Awesome. Glad it made sense to you, dude.
Well done! Well done!
Yeah, come by anytime if you got questions about physics, especially AP physics. I teach a lot of AP physics. A lot of AP physics. All right, let's see. Equity, what's up? You got a math challenge question that's gonna hurt me? I'm going to feel pain. Oh,
I can't do an Arnold Schwarzenegger.
yeah, what's up, Equity? Arnold Schwarzenegger. I'll be back.
Stop whining.
He used to go to my gym, actually, Arnold Schwarzenegger. Gold's Gym down in Venice. Why feel pain? Because life is all about contrast. You know, if everything felt great, then nothing would feel great.
Existence is pain.
Life is pain. What movie is that from? The Princess Bride or something? Go way off.
Well, no, I was thinking of the Rick and Morty thing again.
Oh, yeah. It's like, what do? You bring me the butter.
Pass butter. Oh my god.
Oh my god, life is pain. Yo, what's up, Sam? How's it going, Sam? Sam always makes his entrance by forcing me to drink water. I appreciate that. I do need to drink more water. Okay. Equity, which one you need help with? I assume it's not 3. Is it number 2? Oh, is Master Chief coming out? What up, Master Chief? Diggity diggity. Okay, let's see this. These like don't look too hard. Beryl and Daryl and Carol, dude. Jesus, why? Why are there so many people? I have like 100 courses of math to get through, mostly algebra stuff like binomial expansion. Okay, that's not too bad. Sounds like slight. Okay, Beryl ran 30 kilometers. She ran the first 20 kilometers at 12 kilometers per hour and the last 10 kilometers at 10 kilometers per hour. Determine the total time in hours that it took for her to run 30 kilometers. Okay. This is not too bad of a one. Equity. You know how to do this, man, right? So, I mean, this is the key thing, right? So distance is equal to speed. Speed times time. Okay. So if you ever want to solve for the amount of time it takes to do something or to go somewhere, you take distance and you divide it by the speed. Okay. Let's move that over. Okay, that's cool. Okay. So she does the first 20 kilometers. 20 kilometers at a speed of 12 kilometers per hour. So that's the first part. We can call this like the time of the first leg. Plus the last 10 kilometers at a distance of 10 kilometers per hour. Cool. That's T2. And then this will get us a total. E3. All right. So dividing these, right? 10 over 10. This is just 1. That's nice. Also, notice how if I have kilometers divided by kilometers per hour, I get just hours. So kilometers divided by kilometers per hour. Remember with dividing fractions, right? It looks like this. Keep, change, flipsies. So then this is hours over kilometers. So then these cancel. And you just get hours. You can always kind of determine the equation sometimes by just looking at the units. You can figure out, oh, like, which one am I supposed to divide? Which one am I supposed to multiply? Okay. So 20 over 12 is that 1.75? Wait, 4 goes into both of those. 4 goes in 5 times. Oh, it's 5/3. Sorry, it's 1.67. Okay, so that's 5/7, 5/3 plus 1. So that's equal to 8/3, which is the same thing as 2 2/3, which a third of an hour is 20 minutes. So that's 2 hours and 40 minutes. Is that what you got? Oh, they want the time in hours. Okay, fine. Just like 2.67. That what you got, Equity? Yeah, nice. Okay, cool. Good job. That's not too hard. Dude, that's so crazy, bro. That question came before the fucking Geimir ones. Like, what? Yes, you can ask a chemistry question. What do you want to ask? Yeah, bro, like, sorry. This type of question was asked before fucking this. Geimir numbers? Like, what the hell was all this stuff? I feel like these would probably be more fun. Oh, okay. I like chemistry. Chemistry's fun. Okay. Label the sigma and pi bonds. Really? That's fun. I have a whole YouTube video on this, which I'll show you, for doing Lewis structures and stuff. Where's my channel? Studio. Lewis structures. Yeah. Yeah, go watch this video sometime. This is a really good one. So if you want to learn about chemistry,
Stop asking research questions to ChatGPT.
what's wrong with drawing
Its
research
answers are
questions?
not reliable.
Okay.
Here's an easier way to draw
I have a whole video on like how to draw Lewis dot structures. You should watch it at some point. It's very useful.
because there are always some exceptions to the rules. But anyways, when you're given a
But it goes over like my whole technique. This is CCL4, I think we're doing.
in
And then I do
general, every
some
atom
with.
wants to have total we're going to connect
Yeah. Okay. Cool. But anyways, yeah. To do this is not too bad. PCL5. Okay. So you have to figure out how many electrons are in things. So 1 sec. What's up, Minikey? What's up? I do cover physics, Marshall Hoffman. Yes. Oh, Yo Mama said you helped me understand the chain rule. I appreciate that, Yo Mama. Thanks, man. Aduki says 40. 40 what? 40 kex? 40 what? Oh, 40 valence? Oh, thank you, dude. Yeah, okay, cool. Yeah, because it's... Oh, it's 5 from phosphorus and chlorine is 7? Yeah, okay. So you got 40 electrons from this to play with, which I always like divide by 2, which means I get like 20 like lines. So we have P in the center, and then I'm going to have to connect 5 of these CLs at some point, right? Okay. So in doing so, let me use different colors. I've used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so -5. Now we're down to 15. And then this works, right? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 times 5. Okay, -15 equals 0. Nice. Okay, so we're good. And then all you're supposed to do here is then just draw these as dots instead. But you get the point. Yeah, just draw all these things as lone pairs. Okay, cool. All right, so the Lewis structure, sigma and pi bonds. So the only time you get pi bonds is when you have double bonds, which here everything is a single bond, so everything here is a sigma. I don't know what species type means. Yeah, so 5 sigma, right? Yeah, 5 sigma, 0 pi. I don't know what this means. Molecular shape. Let me see. What's Miniki? What would you say, Miniki? How to relate it to work and work with them in unison. Oh, okay. So yeah, let me show that to you after this, Miniki, because there is actually a cool explanation for that. Trigonal bipyramidal, is that what it is? Yeah, so there's a whole chart here. It's like molecular geometry, chemistry. There's this. Yes. So since we have 5 bonds and no lone pairs, so 5 bonds, 0 lone pairs, that is going to be trigonal bipyramidal. Yeah, this is cool. So trig bi. Bond angles, yeah, 120 and 90. And then is it polar or non-polar? This is going to end up being non-polar because it's one of the nice symmetric shapes, and also everything that's attached to it is the same. If any one of these things were like bromine or something, then instantly it becomes polar. AK1 Rod says, put simply, if an atom is identical to another atom, they are defined as being the same chemical species. Oh, okay. This is also true of molecules in that if one molecule is identical to another, they are the same chemical species. But what does it mean by species type? What does the type mean there? I'm just curious what the type is. But yeah, that's a cool question. Are you taking chemistry yet, Equity? Are you taking chem? This is like one of the cooler parts of chemistry, I feel like. Yeah, I've never seen the thing species type. But yeah, these are cool. And water's actually a really cool molecule as well. You want to take it this semester? Well, you can take it next semester, right? Yeah, take it next semester. Let me help you with this stuff. This stuff's really cool. There are no seats? Bro, what? Where'd the seats go, dude? You should just go just force your way in there. Just be like, bro, I want the seats. Okay, here. Minicky, real quick on... Okay, well, go make sure there are spots. Like, go wake up early. Whatever you need to do. Like, go do it. Real quick, Minicky. Work is equal to force. Oh, it's Quantum. I changed my name. Oh, good to see you, Quantum. Yeah, I was wondering. You didn't say you were a new chatter. Because I'm like, oh, he's been around somewhere. But I didn't recognize the name. Work equals force times distance. So if you have an object here, and it's falling by, like, some distance... Okay, let's say it falls a distance d. Okay, the work done by gravity would be equal to the force of gravity, which is equal to mg. And then work is always the force times the distance, and then the direction matters. You want the amount of force done in the same direction as the distance. Oh, you remember this pen? Yeah, right? Yeah. So since gravity... So, yeah, so this is also going to be, like, the distance down, which we call h. Or we could say, like, delta h, okay? So this is where you can see that the work done by gravity is also kind of, like, the anti-potential energy. And, this comes up a lot in physics. So potential energy is thought of as like energy that is stored in something because it's being held somewhere that it doesn't want to be. So for instance, with a spring, right? When a spring is unstretched, it has no energy. But once I pull it away, let's say like I stretch it way out here, okay? It now wants to rocket back this way. It wants to come back. But because I'm holding it somewhere it doesn't want to be, it has energy. In this case, it has spring potential energy, which is 1/2 kx squared. And if you wanted to figure out where this kind of comes from, this is also equal to the work that was required to get it there. And the cool thing with springs is that, so work, remember, is equal to force times distance. I'm going to throw in some calculus here, because the force to fight a spring actually depends on the position. So you have to integrate. So it's this. It's f. It's the integral of kx dx, which ends up being 1/2 kx squared. If you've ever done calculus before, it's really fucking cool. Yeah, it comes from Hooke's law. Yeah, the issue is that the force, right, kx, depends on the distance. With gravity, the force of gravity does not depend on the distance. It doesn't depend on where it's at. So that's why you can say the work is just mgh. It's just force times distance. Yeah, here the force changes as a function of the distance, so you have to use calculus and you have to integrate it. And that's where you get 1/2 kx squared. Can you explain the x real quick? X is the distance away from the equilibrium. So if this is... What do you mean? You mean the dx? X just represents, like, how far it is away from... So this is where it would be at equilibrium. So this is called, like, x. X is, like, how far you are away from it just chilling. Because as you pull it away, right, a distance x, you end up getting a force trying to pull it back that's equal to kx. Yes, x is the displacement from the origin. And yeah, displacement is a good word there, because the force does have a direction. Because you know that the force is equal to negative kx. So if you pull something to the right and x is positive, then the force pulls to the left and is negative. If you pull something to the left and x is negative, 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 now the force pushes to the right because it's positive. So yeah, very important to get your directions correct here. Anyways, yes. Yeah, that's a cool one. Let me see Cosmics real quick, and then Bella, I'll help you out. Oh, yeah. Well, look at this. You may get your wish, Penn Center. We're dealing with fields. Wait, which one was wrong? Cosmic? Which one was wrong here? What did you say? Oh, you got part B wrong. But it looks like you got the right answer. I'm getting hungry. Yeah, go get a burger. You're okay. Yeah, Penn Center, no, you don't have to stay around the whole time. You're good. But Cosmic, wait, didn't you have a Diffie Q question you wanted to ask? You had a Diffie Q question at some point. Or is this Diffie Q? I don't know. Oh, no Diffie Q questions? Okay, never mind. Yeah, you're good. Yeah, you know, do you also know about Penn Center? Do you know about Penn Center streams and everything? If you, I know you found Zach. I remember we showed you Zach's stream for getting help with Diffie Q, but also Penn Center is a really great resource for high-level math stuff. Shh, I'm a secret. You're the best kept secret, dude. Best kept secret, Penn. Penn Center Canadian, but good. Wow. Yeah. Okay. Oh, you're doing. I appreciate that. Oh, you haven't visited Penn Center? Oh, yeah. Make sure to go check him out. He's cool. He would be streaming today, but his committees are making him make presentations. But here, I'll give you his Twitch as well. Here, I'll give you his Twitch as well. Here, I'll give. There's his. You haven't visited him? Yeah. Here, I'll give. He's good. Any advice for tutoring? For becoming a tutor or getting tutoring? Oh, becoming one. Help people? I mean, it depends what age you are, right? If you're in high school, I think there are usually they're usually like clubs and stuff, I think, where you can sign up to become a tutor to help kids in like classes below you and stuff. Yeah, in general, with advice for being a good tutor is, yeah, be incredibly patient. Yeah, never call your kids stupid. And always try to, yeah, never give up on trying to figure out a unique way to explain a topic. Because the way that you learned it may not be the way that someone else learns it. So I think that's like the number one thing I do as a tutor is I learn all the different ways to learn. This is fun. Yeah, the hardest stuff, yeah, that is a big one, Penn, as well, yeah, is being patient and having the student try it first without jumping to the instinct to just do the question for them. And I've had to catch myself a lot of times with students where it's almost like a conditioning thing. They start knowing like what to do in order to get me to help them, and then I'm like, wait, no, you need to struggle a little bit in order to get this. I can't just like keep giving you the next step. Yeah, it is a balance. It is funny in a way.
Well, the proof is that I'd make a really bad teacher and you would make a really bad staff sergeant. Why? Because you can't call your students stupid, which is a necessity as a staff sergeant.
Hey, Gunny. You worthless
You
maggots.
are little bastards. Look at you. You're fucking worthless. Get on your fucking face now.
Give me 10. No chow for you. But AK1 Rod, if you're looking to, if you're trying to get into tutoring like from the business side, of things. I started out on Wizant. They were the first ones I started out with. I'll show you them. This is me.
Be a server and remind everyone that your mother serves more requests than HTTP.
Yes, if you want another tip, be a server. Yes, yeah, exactly. You learning how to talk to people is great. But if you're looking to like get gigs, this is the website that got me into tutoring. Funny enough, it was like an ex-girlfriend of mine who was in tutoring. She's like, you should try tutoring. And I was like, oh, okay, cool. And yeah, now it's like my life, which is funny. But I really enjoy it. It's cool. But they're good. They help you like get clients, which is kind of one of the hardest things starting out, is finding people to trust you, and then finding people to pay you. But once you start doing that, you build up like kind of a reputation and name for yourself, then it snowballs, because then there's a lot of word of mouth and whatnot. But yeah, always happy to help with what is it, like career advice, I guess, at that point. I didn't expect I was gonna make tutoring a career, but I kind of have at this point. Alt F4, do not cite the ancient scripture. That's a good one. Sensation. I love that. I love how your memes show up perfectly, like right down there. It's like we have the meme board.
It's almost as if it's planned.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, thank you for the advice. Yeah, for sure. I mean, also, if you're in my Discord, send me a DM if you ever have like a specific question about tutoring that you want to know. I'm happy to help. Anyways, okay. Let me see. So EMF, is that DBDT, Cosmic? Right? So I think EMF is equal to negative dBdt. So you had to take the derivative of this, right? Yes. Okay, cool. So awesome. So yeah, so you got 0.12 e to the negative 0.057 t is equal to e. And then they wanted to know when it decreases to 1/12 its value. So that's fun. So you can actually get rid of this, I believe, right? Because I can just say this is like, I can just say this whole thing right here is epsilon naught, right? It's EMF at the beginning. And then so if I divide that over, I just get that 1/12 is equal to e to the negative 0.057 t. And then you take the ln about, so anytime guys you're trying to like figure out what a variable is and it's up in the exponent, use logs. Because you can just take the ln of both sides. That's gonna make this thing real nice. Okay. So then I have the ln of 1/12. And then the cool thing is that ln of e, this goes away. This comes down. So this is negative 0.057 t. Divide by both sides. That goes away. And then let's see what the calculator pulls up. Let's see it. So we got ln of 1/12. Equals that divided by negative 0.057. So yeah, 43.59. So yeah, around 44 seconds. Yeah, I'd say around 44 seconds. Crisps and chips. Yeah, dude, my mother used to always rag on me for getting those wrong. Yes, the answer is 44 seconds. What did ChatGPT think it was? 53. Yeah, ChatGPT fucks up on doing math sometimes, man. I've seen it happen. Here, let's kind of let's use ChatGPT. I want to see if it does the same thing. Let's make a new one here. Yeah, that is way off. Yeah. Well, let's see why I got way off.
So the amount of times that ChatGPT has said something and I've said, no, that's not right. And then it's agreed with me and it says, oh, yes, you're absolutely right. It's like,
it does do that.
Why didn't you know that?
Yeah. It's fast to cover up its mistakes and be like, no, you're right, boss. You're right. I'm just like, okay. Let's just see if we can do it. I'm curious. This is what it says. Okay, cool. It got DBDT. Cool. Yeah. Yes. I will calculate this for you. Thank you. Thank you, AI. So mine got it right. Mine said 43.6 seconds. Wow.
Wow.
Math Major says, if you ask ChatGPT to multiply any two 4-digit numbers, it is basically always wrong. Ooh. Is that because it goes over the bit limit for, like, an integer? Yours was wrong? Okay.
Four digits, but you shouldn't do.
At least once we know it takes over, it will act more like Dobby from Harry Potter. Does that mean I give it a sock and it's free? Here's a sock, ChatGPT. Actually, I want to test this thing from Math Major. Sorry, what? So wait, if I take like... Okay, let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm going to say, what is 1, 2, 3, 4 times 5, 6, 7, 8? Let's see if we can do it.
Analyzing.
Analyzing. It's like, oh, fuck, dude. 7 mil. And you know what the cool thing is? I like the analysis. It'll show me what the Python code is. So I think this is doing it correctly, though, Math Major. I think it is. Because, you know...
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, that's right, right?
It is correct.
Oh, interesting. Well, it seemed to get this one right. I think so, right? Yeah, Sensation says it's right. I think if we just I think Math Major's right in that if it has to do that calculation within a word problem, it will mess up. If I just directly ask it, it'll do it correctly. But if it has to interpret that within other context, you're right. It probably will mess that up.
Yeah, ask it as a string. Jeff says, ask it as a string.
Okay. You want me to do that? Okay, let's try that. Okay, all right. Do you want to do it as a string? Okay.
Single apostrophe at the beginning and the end makes it a
All
string.
right. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 5, 6, 7, 8. You want me to do that? All right. Oh, what's up? Taco, you coming by to the Fortnite competition on Saturday? Well, it still gets it right. You guys are trying to break my boy. You're trying to break my boy, ChatGPT. He keeps doing it. Oh, why not? Come on by, dude. It'll be fun. Ooh, M has a good one. Let's see. Okay, okay. You said, can you compute? All right, let's see that. Let's say, can you compute 1, 2, 2, 3 times 1, 4, 5, 7? Interesting. It got a slightly different answer than you did. Maybe... Do you pay for ChatGPT? I want to know if this is like something they do intentionally to force you to pay for it. I could go for 2 tacos. I could definitely go for 2 tacos. You don't have the paid version? Yeah, I pay for it. Because I use... It's a business expense at this point. Do not mock ChatGPT. You know, it's, well, here, let me see. Bella, you still around? Oh, Cosmic, let me give you a point as well for that question here. Add amount 1 to Cosmic. You around? Let's see if Bella's around. I'll help Bella out with her question next. And actually, let me ask you this, Sensation. Sensation, do you like Dune? Are you part of the Duneverse?
You asked me this. I never saw the original movie. I saw the TV remake in the early 2000s. That's all I've ever seen, and I've never read the book. So
Okay. I've been reading the books. They just released a new show called Dune Prophecy on HBO. It came out on Sunday. It was actually really cool.
Tits.
Tits. What do you mean tits? I don't.
Well, sorry, that's the joke. Everything that HBO has ever released was just tits.
There are no tits in this. Well, actually, shit. I take that back. No, I don't think you see tits. Wait, okay, whatever. Anyways, Dune Prophecy.
Okay. Focus.
You are, yeah, I was like distracted. Anyways, yeah, this is Dune Prophecy came out on Sunday, and so it's actually really cool. I don't know how much people are aware with the whole Dune universe or whatnot, but things take place like tens of thousands of years in the future, and what they talk about is how there was an AI war, like a war between humans and the machines. And what the humans had to do was like kill the AI machines and banish any sort of artificial intelligence, such that now the only way for them to do like intense calculations is to train humans to become like human calculators. And they're called mentats, is what they're called in the Dune universe. So it's pretty cool because the guy who came up with this idea, Herbert, did it in like the 60s. So back in like 1960, he already thought ahead that there would be a time when humans would create an AI so powerful that the AI would start taking them over, and then humans would have to fight this and then banish all AI, which I think is it's so cool. That idea came up and was conjectured so long ago. But yeah, they're called mentats in the whole Dune universe, which, wow, this bro, what? This is who the old mentats were? Arthur C. Clarke did it too. Yeah. I'm afraid I can't do that, Dr. Gold. Yeah, that was a Space Odyssey, right? That's Hal.
What are you doing, Dave?
What are you doing, Dave? Yeah, that's this one. Yeah, Hal. Yeah. When I think of AI, I think of Age of Ultron. Yes. I don't think I remember Age of Ultron. There are so many of these Avenger films that they start like blurring together for me. But was he an AI like guy? Is that what he was? Oh, Ultron is the AI. Okay. Oh, I think I remember that. And like the AI is like controlling their like spaceship or something. Yeah, okay, that's right. Okay, yeah, I remember that. Iron Man created an artificial villain. Okay, cool. Yeah, I have to. There are so many Marvel movies. I'm gonna wait a little bit more, see if Bella comes back. Yeah, this is. Have you seen this? This is apparently like the guide that you're supposed to go through to watch all of them in order, I think. Oh god, yeah, they have this. Like, this is the release dates. They planned this out, I think, for... Oh, man, and this is only... I remember them saying they had planned out all the Marvel films for, like a decade. This is just in the last 3 years. There's an Avengers 5 coming out. Matt says, you looking for some problems to do? Because I have some fun ones in the cooler. If you're interested, yeah, show them up. Throw them up. Throw them up. I'll try them out. I was going to wait for Bella to come by to help her out with more of her stats, but... I think she's passed out. Probably it's probably late. What's up? What's a question, math major? I'll do one.
See, for me, growing up, my version of AI was Shodan.
Who's Shodan? Nice. All right.
Was it?
Send me a link. Send me a link of what Shodan is.
Shodan.
I thought Shodan's like a Japanese word.
Sentient hyper-optimized data access network.
Oh yeah, sorry. Yeah, you can't post text in the help screenshots, math major, for obvious reasons, because then the kids would just start spamming text in there, and then I can never see what's actually going on. So yeah, you can only post images in this channel, but you can type whatever to me if you want. Yes. Yeah. But the reason why I have that channel set to only images is so that like the kids can't just start shit posting arguments to each other, and then I can't see like where the homework questions are. It's a natural deterrent. This problem has both calculus and pre-calculus friendly solutions. Have fun. Thanks, man. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, cause like, yeah, Jeff, just the nature of like kids, like they will just find something to just go on a tangent on, and so like you'll see like I have some channels where it's like, here we're gonna talk about like cooking and food, and then it quickly deteriorates into, I don't know, who has the best Fortnite skin or something. So I try to keep boundaries on things, but you know, I'm not too strict. Oh, Shodan. Ooh, that looks sick, dude. I'm gonna click that after this. Okay, let S be any arc of the unit circle lying entirely in the first quadrant. Okay, cool. So let's do that. Before I even read any more, math major, I'm gonna draw me a circle. Draw me a unit circle. Which again, the reason it's called the unit circle is because it has a radius of 1. Unit means 1, like unitary. Okay. I just like making things like this. Okay. This is 1. Okay. Let S be any arc of a unit circle laying only in the first quadrant. Cool. So only in this quadrant. And we're going to have like some arc, I guess, S. Let A be the area of the region lying below S and above the X axis. Okay, so that means, I'm guessing this. Is that, that's A, I guess? Is that what we say A is? A is this? I know that's actually really hard to see with the yellow. Sorry, let's make it like a little nicer of a color. Okay, cool. That's A. Let B be the area of the region lying to the right of the y-axis and to the left of S. Okay, cool. So then this right here is B. Prove that A plus B depends only on the arc length and not the position of S. Oh, wow. That's pretty rad. He says there's a pre-calc solution to this? Okay. Or, oh, you probably need a little bit of calculus. B is a horizontal strip. B the area of the region lying to the right of the y-axis and to the left. Oh. Sorry. To the left of S. Wait, is this not B right here? Am I not reading that right? Right, B be the area of the region lying. So this is the y-axis to the right and to the left of S. Oh, S is, well, S is this. Wait. To the left of the arc? Is this considered like the left of the arc? Or is it like from the left of here? It says B is a horizontal strip. Oops, image was rotated. Alright, let me see. Send a phone in the Discord. Oh. 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 Got you. Got you. Okay, that's cool. Alright, so you're saying that this is B. This is gonna be a tricky one. Sorry, so this is B. Right? That's B. Okay, cool. Okay, let's get the area. Okay. So I'm gonna like define what this is as a function. So this is right, x squared plus y squared is equal to 1. So this is y is equal to the square root of 1 minus x squared. Right? I'm kind of trying to show. I think so. Right? Because when x is 0, this is 1. When x is 1, that's 0. When it's negative, when it's 0. Okay, cool. So if prove that A to B only depends on the arc length and not on the position. That's where this gets kind of tricky. So, okay. Arc length, let's say S, that's going to be equal to R d theta, right? Which in this case is R theta 2 minus theta 1. But then R is also just equal to 1, so that goes away. Okay. So S is equal to theta 2 minus theta 1. If we were to integrate this to get the area, right, I would say that A is equal to the integral from theta 1 to theta 2. I gotta make sure I'm doing this right. Because theta is usually measured from here, right? Yeah. So that would be positive. Right, theta 2, theta 1, yeah. I think you should X, not theta. Why not theta? Theta's the angle. I want the angle. Oh. Oh, I see what you're saying. Uh-huh. Yeah, you're right. Okay. X1, X2. Yeah, you're right. And then this is Y2, Y2. Okay, wait, I got you. Okay. We're gonna get numbers from this too anyways, right? So this is X1 to X2 of the square root of 1 minus x squared dx, which then we're going to do a trig sub on this, right? Yeah. That's kind of cool where this comes from. Because what? Can I say that, like, x is equal to cosine theta? Right? So then it goes from cosine theta 1 to cosine theta 2. Square root of 1 minus cosine squared theta. And then d theta becomes negative sine theta d theta. All right, we just made the substitution, right? X equals cosine of theta. Dx equals negative sine theta d theta. Because then this is cool. 1 minus cosine squared theta is just sine squared theta. You're right. Correct. Theta 1, theta 2. Yeah, sorry. You're right. I forgot we were doing this. Okay, so then we have from theta 1 to theta 2. 1 minus cosine squared is sine squared. Square root of sine squared is sine. So then this is negative sine squared theta d theta. Okay. So I'll get that eventually. That's A. I want to see if these things, like, remove themselves somehow. Let's get B. I want to get B as well. Oop. B, I think I want to like rotate my axis. Where the fuck did my thing go? Because now this in like y-axis land, right, is this is x is equal to the square root of 1 minus y squared, right? Such that when y is 1, x is 0, and then when y is 0, x is 1. Okay, so that's what this is, right? And then this is going from x1 to x2, right? Which, let's just make sure we got our things right, because like x1 refers to theta 1, and x2 refers to theta 2, so they're going to switch. It's actually pretty cool. Yeah, it doesn't. Okay, so then this is the integral from from y1 to y2, and it's square root of 1 minus y squared dy, which again, we're going to make the substitution that y is equal to cosine theta. But now, y1 refers to theta 2. No, wait. No, y1 still refers... No. I gotta make sure I did this right. 1 sec. x1 was theta 1. x2 was theta 2. Okay, so then I need to switch this in terms of arc length. Arc length is this. You gotta get all the indices right on this one. This is this is where this is annoying. So y, you could go full polar. Yeah, I know. Never go full polar. Okay. y1 now refers to theta 2. And y2 refers to theta 1. Okay. So now b, this is the same integral as this, is going to be... oh, but now it's sine. No. Y is equal to sine of theta. My bad. Right? Yeah. Yeah, y is equal to sine of theta. So now this is going to be positive. Theta 1, theta 2. And this is going to be cosine squared theta d theta. Wow, wicked. All my homies hate polar, yeah. Okay. Man, because A plus B.
Nice.
Ugh, I want these to be positive. Because then I can just say sine squared plus cosine squared is equal to 1. And then we're all happy. Would that be nice? Would that be nice to be so happy? Oh, fuck me. No, this does work. Aha, watch this. Because y1 refers to theta 2. Wow. Oh, this is so cool. This goes from theta 2 to theta 1, which is the same thing as negative theta 1 to theta 2. Cosine squared theta d theta. Okay, watch this. This is beautiful. I actually really do like this. Okay. So then, A plus B this is such a cool question, is equal to the negative, and then it's going to be negative theta 1 to theta 2, and now this is sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta d theta. Sine squared plus cosine squared is 1. Wow. So it's just equal to negative theta 1, theta 2, d theta, which is just equal to theta 2 minus, it's just equal to theta 1 minus theta 2, which is the same thing as the arc length. Wow, that's super cool. I like that. That's a super cool question, Math Bullet. Wow.
Thanks for the follow, Anti This Virus. Welcome to Actually Feet.
Anti this virus, dude. Swaz, what's going on, my guy?
Yo,
How's life? How's the physics game going, dude?
dude, let me tell you, man. You know how I told you I failed that last test? I got a 100 on this last one that I just
Oh,
took.
fuck yeah,
And then I got a 98 after that, so I'm like, I'm chilling, honestly. Do you have hella problems tonight?
dude. No, I don't have hella problems. Virus just submitted one question I was gonna do, and then there's no one on afterwards if you want to submit some stuff for the queue.
Oh, shit, I mean, I might. Yo, wait, yo. So, like, it's my birthday tomorrow, so for, like, my birthday, you think you could help me knock out, like, my stat homework?
Okay. Yes. Yes. For your birthday, sure. We
Let's
can
go.
knock out your
Let's
stat.
go.
Here, let me help out Virus, and then yeah, post all your shit in the screenshots, and I'll go through it.
Sir, yes, sir.
Here, sir. All right. That was a very cool question, math major. I like that, dude. Very fun solution. All right, let me help out Virus. Oh wow, is this differential equations? We're gonna do some diffie Q today.
But why?
But why?
Oh no.
Oh no.
All right, let's see.
But like, these equations are like totally gnarly.
These are some gnarly ones, dude. Okay. Yeah, this is something where like there's a Jacobian involved or something, isn't there? Oh. Okay. Okay, one sec. I gotta remember Diffie Q. I used Laplace and Kramer's rule. Yeah, this is Diffie Q, right? This is Diffie Q. It's been a while since I took Diffie Q. It's like, let me get ChatGPT to remind me how Diffie Q works. Yeah, all good. Okay, well, at least we got initial conditions and whatnot. Yeah, wait a minute. That's a mess. Okay. I see. So this solution you got here. Well, let's go away. All right, guys. Okay. This solution you got is obviously wrong, right? And that's the one ChatGPT thinks it is, which is not. Okay. Yeah, interesting. Let me remember. Okay. My cheat approach would be to assume the solution is the form e to the f of y1 plus g of y2 and then solve. I agree, because I see a derivative and then something else. That's a, yeah, I like that question, Math Major. That was cool. Math Major, do you know enough about Diffie-Q? Nuclear ordinance? What's the quote? What's this? Nuke the whales.
I just wanted to test this.
Yeah. Okay, let's try to do a Laplace transform on this, I guess. Okay, let me see if I remember how Laplace transforms work. Right. So, okay. What is this? Do you remember how we write It's been such a long time since I've written even the word Laplace. Wait, what is it again? Is it no? I'll get it. No. There we go. That's it. Oh my, it's coming back to me. It's like muscle memory. Yeah. Not as much as I should either, dude, honestly. Okay. It's like the British pound symbol. I know. I need to remember how I did it though. No. Something will feel right when I do it. Okay. Ooh, that feels it. Okay, yeah. Okay, whatever. Laplace transform of y prime of t is equal to s big Y of s minus y0. Okay. So for this, if I take the Laplace transform of both sides, that's -2 y1 wait, shouldn't there be an s on there as well? -y1 plus 7 y2 plus 1 over s. Oh, okay. Right, and y0 is 0. Okay. Okay, I think I get that. Okay, okay. And then we just divided everything by s is what we did. Okay, okay. I think I see this. S of y1 s times y1 is equal to all that. Okay. So then s times y2 should be equal to 7 y1 minus 2 y2 plus 1 over s. And then let's just get it in terms of y1 and y2. So I have s plus 2 y1 minus 7 y2 is equal to 1 over s. And then 7 y1 plus s plus 2 y2 equals 1 over s. So this is a systems of equations now, right? I'm gonna write this in matrix form, which I think is what you had here. Yeah, s plus 2 minus 7. Oh, I have a positive 7 here. Should I not? Oh, this should be negative. Sorry, I should have moved this over. You're right. -7. It's not Wales, right? Okay, s plus 2. Okay, I agree with this so far. And then, yeah, right, times y1, y2 is equal to 1 over s, 1 over s. Okay. Okay. And then, yes, we use Kramer's rule for solving matrices, right? Where, yeah, the determinant of the whole thing is s plus 2 squared minus, or plus 49, no? No, it's minus. Okay, okay. Why do we actually take the Laplace of the 1, though, instead of keeping it as L1? Well, let's see. So, L of y1 prime, right, has to equal to S, and then y as a function of S. So these are like new things we've created, right? Minus y of 0. Y of 0 is 1, right? Or no, y of 0 is 0. Oh, okay. So this is minus 0. Okay. So this side becomes S, y of S. And then the Laplace... Right, the Laplace of each one of these just turns it into, just turns like y1 into like capital Y1. And then, yeah, exactly. Yeah, we're getting to that. And then we're taking the Laplace of 1. Interesting. Is the Laplace of 1 1 over S? Oh, okay. Well then, yeah, that's why this becomes 1 over S. We took the Laplace of both sides, right? Like anything in, I mean, this goes back to algebra, right? If you do anything to one side, you got to do it to the other side. So if I take the Laplace transform of the left side in order to get this, I have to do it to everything on the right side. So that's why this has to become 1 over S. And now what we have is a nice systems of equations where everything is just in terms of these like big capital Y things, right? I forget what the formal name for these things are. What I'm confused about is why we'd write negative 2y1 as an example for negative 2. And that like, and that's still like in terms of a Laplace. Okay. Oh, okay. You're saying like right here? Okay. Because the Laplace of the function, of the regular function, y1 of t, is equal to this capital 1 of S. Okay? And then the negative 2 is... The negative 2 is just a multiplier, right? It's just a multiplicative constant. So you can just pull the... So if I have negative 2 here, I can just pull this out front. And that's why this term turns into... Is that what you're confused about? I think there's just the formalism of it's easier. These Y's, by the way, are different, right? These capital Y's, the capital Y means like the Laplace transform of it. Like this is, it just makes it easier to Does that kind of make sense? So instead of like writing this all the fucking time, I'm just calling this a new variable. I'm calling it like capital Y1. And the nice thing about the Laplace transform... Yeah, no, we haven't done it yet. We're just calling it a variable. Because then the nice thing is this is, you know, plus y of 0, and then this just goes away. Yeah, no, are you okay? I mean, I'm learning this with you as well. Or I'm relearning this. But okay, Kramer's rule for solving matrix stuff is that, yeah, the solution to this is like, I believe it's like this column divided by the determinant of the whole thing. Is that how it works? Oh, no, I remember. You take whatever this is and you replace it with this. Ah, yeah, okay. This is cool. Yeah, okay. Yeah. So y1 is equal to the determinant of 1 over s. Sorry, 1 over s. 1 over s. Negative 7 s plus 2. Divided by the determinant of s plus 2, negative 7. Negative 7, s plus 2.
Nice.
Very cool. Fleur de Reserve. What's up, Fleur? I had a really good friend in my life whose name was Fleur. Flircha, I guess is what it was. AP World? Yeah, I mean, yeah, I can try to help you with AP World. I don't know what... history tends to be just writing essays and stuff, no? I do more like math and science. Yeah, oh, since it's linear. Yeah, you're right, math major, you're right. Yeah, the Laplace is a linear. It's a linear function. Yes, we love linear functions for that. Yeah. Okay, cool. So the determinant of this, right, is just 1 over s, and then what? That's like s plus 2 plus 7, right? Because I do this times this minus this times this. And then this is over s plus 2 squared minus 49. Okay. Which, that's kind of gross. What is that? So that's s plus 9 over s. Cool. And then doing y2, then you replace this column with this one. So whatever, I'm just going to skip ahead and get it. So then that's s minus 5 over s plus 2 squared minus 49. So that's y2. Okie dokes. So then we got to perform the inverse Laplace transforms. Okay, cool. The interesting thing is that, like, he's gonna get the same answer that he tried to put into ChatGPT and didn't show up. Again, this part I don't necessarily know. Perform the inverse Laplace transform. Because I think he tried this. E to the negative 2t cosine of 7t, didn't he? Plus e to the negative 2t sine of 7t. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Just want to see. Wow, this gets like super. Oh my god, this gets like really in depth. It's a pain in the ass. Like, just watch what's happening here. You gotta do partial fractions on this? Oh god, kill me, dude. Oh god. Oh, yes. And then once you have it in this form, you get this. Okay. Where'd you get stuck? So they factor the denominator, which I'm cool with, right? S plus 9, S minus 5. And then you use partial fractions to decompose it, right? Okay. What do you mean you got the Laplace formula? Did you get to this? Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, okay, so once you have it like that, you want it to look something... But I guess there's a table for inverse Laplace transforms. It's been so long since I've done Laplace transforms. But okay. Yeah. So we want stuff to look like this, like 1 over S minus A or 1 over S, and then we know how to go back to them. Yeah, do you see? Yeah, this is the table. Okay. Okay, so here. I'm not going to do all the steps because this would take forever, but I'll show you at least where it comes from. So this, right, is going to become S plus 9 over S over, and then this is S squared plus 4S plus 4 minus 49, right? So then, did we do that right? Yeah, right? Okay. So this becomes S plus 9 over S. And then this is now S squared plus 4S minus 45, which you should see, right? That 9 and negative 5 are the factors you need in order you can factor this out. So this becomes S plus 9, S minus 5. Okay? Which you now know... Yeah, this is a long problem. This is A over S plus B over S plus 9 plus C over S minus 9, okay? You need to do partial fractions for this, which becomes kind of a bitch, because this is now a 3 by 3, because you gotta solve for A, B, and C, right? So again, I could do it on the stream, but it would take a while. So let me just let little spoiler alert. Because look, I mean, this is ChatGPT going through it, right? But once you have this, right, now you got to do partial fractions. Doing partial fractions eventually gets you to here, okay? Eigenvalues method then? Oh, maybe. I don't know. Could be another method. But once you get here, right, now this is something... These are both things you know for the inverse, right? So then you just get to this. So then this is y1. So it's negative 1 over 5, 1 plus 5, e to the 5t. Which is interesting. Do you see how this answer is different than what you got beforehand? It's actually even different than what ChatGPT said. Because look, ChatGPT said that y1 was equal to this, right? Originally. It said it was equal to the cosine 7t, sine of 7t. But then once I forced it to... what I told it. I was like, hey, can you show me more step by step how you did the inverse Laplace transform? It'll catch its mistakes. And so it ends up getting what I think is a different answer and the correct one. I'm curious if this is correct for the second part. I wonder if see, it says follow similar steps. ChatGPT is lazy. If I ask ChatGPT to be like, yo, actually, can you actually go through that? Here, I'll say like, can you actually show the similar steps to decompose Y2? I wonder if it comes up with a different one. Certainly. It's like, yes, master. I can do whatever you want. Oh, nice. Good job, Cosmo. Yeah, so wow. This is also that. Also partial fractions. Oh, man, this is just a pain. Cool. So this is actually interesting. Do you see how this is different as well? Maybe these convert into something that looks nice with, like, you know, because I see cosine of this plus this. That's probably some sort of conversion thing. There's probably a trig identity for it. So I'm curious, anti this virus. I'm curious if this is the right answer. For Y1 and Y2. I feel like I follow the steps it did better. And it should be right. So if you want to try that. Like, because this is I believe this is wrong. No. But here, yeah, I'm gonna paste this in the chat. You tell me if it's right. Cool. Fun question though. I enjoyed it. Let's see. Swaz, what's up? You want to go through some stats for your birthday? Oh yeah, you posted a lot.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sir.
No. I finished like half of them.
Okay, what do you need help with? Which ones do you need help with?
How about 53? What about 53?
Okay, let's go see it. That's 61. 55? Where's 53? 59. Well, I think this is it. Oh, here. That's okay. 53. Oh, this is probability. Oh, we love this stuff, dude. Nice.
Yeah, it's light, but it's like.
It can be
Oh, I
confusing,
hate it, dude.
You know, I love probability. Probability is dope.
Dude, I just went through my homework. This is like 2 days past due.
Oh no, dude. Uh-oh.
Well, no, I'm fine. I'll get like
Okay.
70% worth of it.
All right. So it says find the probability. So this is probability of A and B given P is A. P of A is this. P of B is this. And that P of A or B is that. Okay.
So how does that make sense? Like, how does probability of A or B, how is that just 0.58 instead of being like 0.7?
Why would it be 0.7, sorry?
Yeah.
Oh,
Because it's like,
because they're not independent events.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Yeah. Jeff says 0.12. Yeah, this is weird though. Like, there's a probability, I guess, of none of them happening or something. Like, what's going on here? I remember one of it. It's like probability of A plus probability of B minus the probability of A and B is equal to the probability of A or B. Am I right, guys? It's like exclusive OR, right? That's kind of how it works. Yes. Okay, good. All right, so we have it right here. Okay. Yeah, okay, so here's the issue here, Swaz. If I want to figure out what the probability... Okay, so let's think about it in terms of, like, Venn diagrams, okay? Let's say this was A.
Okay.
And then let's say this was B.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna use the Venn diagram.
I'm liking this. I'm liking this.
Okay. So the probability of A is like all of this shit, okay?
Okay.
And then the probability of B is all of this shit, right? But do you see if I added these two, I would be double counting this area?
Yeah, I do.
Right. So you would get probabilities that are greater than 1 sometimes. Okay. So what I have to do is I have to subtract that area, and that's the probability of A and B. So it gets rid of like one of the overlaps, is what it does. Do you see how like...
So do you just... So to find that, do you just like, define what the middle is right there, right?
Yeah.
You just like add them up and then you minus by 0.58 and then that's your...
Yeah, well, they want you to figure out this, right? Which they give you this. This is the formula. This is where the formula comes from. The probability of A or B is a I realize this looks like a fucking vagina. Like, what the fuck? All right. It's the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of them together. And this is where the rule comes from, right?
Yep.
And now you use the formula to just be a robot and just do math, right? Because probability A or B is 0.58. And then this is 0.3, 0.4 minus this is what you're searching for, right?
Yeah.
So this is just 0.58 is equal to 0.7 minus whatever this is. So this must be 0.12.
Woo!
Good job. Yeah. Okay. Next one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What's the next one?
Oh,
we got rid of our
next
robot.
one is 55.
Okay.
Is it multiple choice? Are these multiple choice?
Yeah, these are. Okay.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I got the answers to 55 and 57.
Thank you, sir. May I have
So-
another? Yeah, it literally is. Yeah. Well, he's got like 12 pages of it. He's lucky his birthday's tomorrow.
Bro, hey, bro, I'm telling you right now.
How old are you
dude, I
turning?
don't even have time.
How old are you turning?
18, bro.
18. Wow.
I can
He's about
legally
to be an
get pushed now,
adult!
dude. Yeah,
Can't
dude, I
do-
can legally get pushed now.
I can legally get pussy now. I mean, in Texas it's 17, but you know, depends where.
I mean, well, in North Carolina, it's 16, but like,
What? 16?
I mean, like,
God,
bro,
that's so low.
yeah, bro, if you're like,
I can't look at women like under the age of 25. I think they're children at this point.
That's what he's saying for the cameras.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying for the cameras. All right. What's were you saying you don't have any more time though, right? Like just in life, like life is like feels like
Dude,
there's a lot of
well,
stuff.
I just, yeah, literally, bro, I got scheduled every single day this week. So it's like I get off school at like 3, and then like I go to work at 4. So it's like I got no
Oh.
time in
Oh, you
between.
gotta
I have a
work.
study hall. Like I have a study hall, but literally I'm using that for like other shit. So,
Okay. Well, you have this.
but it's like also, yeah, but I come home. I'm gonna keep it a buck. Like I'm not even tired. I just want to play. You know what Warframe is?
Yes, I know Warframe. Yeah, that's a classic. Yeah.
Yeah, bro. I just
I just want to play games.
Oh my god. Yeah, well, bro, it's like I got no free time, so that's why you want to use
Well,
my
because
free
you're
time.
working. Most kids your age aren't working. Congrats for you for actually working. Most kids your age don't have a job.
Bro, I'm still broke though.
Wait, what is this? Oh, this is the divide by 2, add 7 rule? Yeah, one set. The median age is 26. The pool of singles is shrinking. Actually, not quite. Yes, older singles are rare, but as you get older. Wow. Standard creepiness rule. Don't date under. I did some analysis. Yes, somewhere in the outliers, there's a girl for you, dude. There is. I agree. Okay. Anyways, I love that. That's a funny joke. Thanks, Math Major.
No, 55. I'm good on 55. I looked on the answer key. That
alright.
one's E.
Okay,
So, like,
which one?
56?
Which one? You need help with 56? Oh, you
56,
need
yeah.
because you can't do the evens.
No, I can't do the evens.
Oh, alright, I got you, dog. Yeah. What do you spend all your money on if you're 17, dude, and like you work a job?
well,
like what?
Well,
What do you mean you're broke? Where's all your money going?
Usually weed, but
Weed.
if it's not going, if it's not going to weed or alcohol, it's usually going to my car insurance or like food.
Okay, so then there's a lesson here, right? If you have no more time because you have to work so much
No, bro, it's not
to
even
pay
my
for the alcohol
fault,
and the
bro.
weed, maybe cut the alcohol
No,
and the weed.
no, it's not even my fault, bro, because it's like also I gotta pay for gas. And
Yeah,
like
that's true. Yeah, I know.
and no, there was a whole week where I didn't get paid because I guess like the people like I just didn't get scheduled the week before, so it's like
Oh, I see. So then you're like,
I didn't have
gotta
any
make up-
hours.
I gotta make up for all the,
Yeah.
the lost of thing. Jeff,
Yes, sir.
Jeff, yes, we know Jeff. It's okay.
No, but my dad's he's getting me 18 lotto tickets since it's my 18th birthday.
18 scratch offs. That's cool, man.
Yes,
or lotto
sir.
tickets.
Yes,
Or is that
sir.
where like you pick the numbers or the scratch offs?
No, it's gonna be scratch offs. I mean, I'm
Yeah.
gonna make like $6, but I mean,
Dude, sometimes you hit big on those. My one friend hit like 1,000 on him once.
it's big. Maybe I should just keep gambling. I don't know.
Yeah, there you go. Just keep playing the parlays on sports betting, dude.
Dude, okay, well, sports betting's different though. Like honestly, no, it's laugh all you want, bro.
Gambling
But
is
like
gambling, dog.
dude, my 20 leg parlay is gonna hit eventually. All
Your
right,
20
don't worry
leg
about it.
parlay will hit eventually. I've heard that so many times. Oh my god. All right, here, let's get you. Yeah. All right. In a sample of 275 students, 20 say they are vegetarians. Of the vegetarians, oh fucking A, dude. What is the probability the chosen student eats fish or eggs? Okay, I'm gonna make a fucking diagram for this. All right, 275, big population, right? 20 are vegetarians. Of the vegetarians, 9 eat both fish and eggs. Oh god, bro, we gotta draw so many circles here, dog. What's going on? Okay. Okay. 9 eat both fish and eggs. Okay, I'm gonna call this fish. I'm gonna call this eggs. I'm gonna say 9. Martingale, very strong indeed. Is that the bourbon you're drinking right now, Penn Center? What's that? Also Martingale. Oh, Martingale is a fallacy. Oh, it is. Yeah, it's a great. Yeah.
I'm drinking. I don't even know. It's called like John Cuervo or something.
Jose Cuervo.
Jose, yeah, Jose.
No, dude, I remember Jose. You can't do that. No, that stuff's. No, dude, no.
Dude, it all gets you to the same place. All right.
Yes. Oh, I mean that is true. Many things will get you the same place, but
Well, also
how you get there is
realistically-
also.
Oh, dude, it's a battle. It's a battle for sure. I'm not gonna lie. It's 100% a battle, but I feel like the reward is much. It's worth the journey.
I'll tell
dude.
you from
It's worth the
experience
journey.
that like the hangovers from Jose Cuervo versus the hangovers from like something nicer are very different.
Well, like, bro, at the end of the day, I mean, like,
At your
You-
age,
you
they
know-
don't matter, but when you get older,
True, true.
you'll start making active decisions. It's like
dude, do you
the
know
same
what?
reason
Do you know
can
what
just eat
Taka is?
trash. Do I know? Yeah, I know what Taka is. Yeah, it's like plastic
Dude.
bottle of vodka. It's terrible.
Yeah, yeah,
You
dude.
used to
it's
drink
like
it a ton
14
in college, dude. It's so bad. It is so bad.
Dude, it's like the most industrial.
You might as well just be like drinking
godforsaken
paint thinner
drink.
at that point, dude.
Yeah,
Just-
dude. I mean, it's probably healthier too.
Oh my god.
To be honest,
Oh my god.
I feel my brain's fine, bro. I mean, I'm stunted.
Yeah,
Like my brain's
fine for
definitely
now.
stunted, but I'm smart enough.
Yeah, at least you're not eating Tide Pods. Yeah, Penn Center's right. At least you're not eating Tide Pods. Yeah, we're good.
Nah, bro. I'm taking 4 AP classes, and I gotta.
He's a smart guy.
The only reason my grades are shit sometimes is because I don't do my homework. But that's the only. That's the
Eggs,
only
but
reason.
not fish. 7 eat neither. Okay, well, we got 7 out here eating neither. Oh my god, I had to draw so many pictures for this. Okay, choose one of the vegetarians at random. Okay, one of the vegetarians, one of these guys. Yeah, okay. What is the probability that the chosen student eats fish or eggs? Interesting. Okay,
Dude,
so
there's some shitty vegetarians if they're eating
yeah,
fish and eggs, bro. Like,
they're pescatarians if they eat fish, right? Wait, what? Wait,
yeah, pescatarians. Yeah.
wait, what? Wait, yeah, how can you? No, you can't be a vegetarian and eat fish.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yo, that's
That
bullshit.
doesn't work.
That's a
That's what I'm
bullshit-ass question.
saying. Wait.
Yo,
What
this
probability that the chosen student eats fish or eggs?
is cap, dude. It's fucking cap.
I was gonna hope it said like vegetarian. I was gonna say like 0%.
No, God,
It's like,
please,
here's the
no,
problem.
no.
Okay. All right. 9 eat both. 3 only eat eggs. Okay. Oh, this is hurting my brain.
I'm going E here. I'm going E.
No. We're gonna get it. It's out of 20. I know
What?
it is something out of 20. No. It's got to be out of 20, dude. It's the probability because we said choose
Oh,
one of the
just choose one of
vegetarians
the
at random.
vegetarians.
It's got to be
Dude,
one of the
I was
vegetarians
just
at random.
I was just looking at the part where it was like chosen student, and I was like, oh, out of like the 200. All right.
Yeah, math. I guess they were challenging him, right? Wait. 7 eat neither. 9 eat both. 3 eat eggs. And we need this to add up to 20 somehow. Okay, so this. Pen just says it's 13. Pen, why do you say it's
All right.
13?
10. We're going with 13.
Pen says it's 13. I think because here's what happens. Okay, this is x, right? So x plus 3. Oh, yeah, wait. X plus 3 plus 9 plus 7 has to equal to 20. So x here just equals to 1. Okay. What probability eats fish or eggs? I agree. Because then it's
All right. B.
yeah, it's what is it? It's 10 plus 12 minus 9. 22 minus 9, 13. Yeah, okay, cool. Thank you. Yeah, B, that's correct.
Good job, Pen. Good job, Dr. Gold.
Yeah, good job. Yeah, I had to draw like way too many pictures for this. All right, what's the next one you need help with?
58. This one's a doozy.
Where the fuck is 58?
Oh, did she
bro.
did she get cut off? Hey,
She
don't
got
worry
cut
about
off.
58. I got it,
Never
man.
mind.
I got it.
All right, you're gonna get 58, or you want me to go to the next?
Yeah, I'll get that one on my own time. I appreciate it though.
You're good, dude. All right.
What do you know about question 61 though?
61's an odd one. I thought you can do all the odd ones.
No, I can, but it's
Oh,
yeah.
you
I'm
actually
not
want to
sure.
learn? You actually want to learn 61? Okay, that's cool.
Yeah.
Answer is F. This question is cracked. Okay, let's see this. Oh, bro, is this what skills would adults want? Like what superpower skills? I still think mine is flying. I think if I would choose flying. Flying is fucking dope.
I'll probably go with visibility or like time stop.
Invisibility would be kind of cool. You could get away some fun shit. Stop time. Yeah, that'd be pretty cool too. Okay. Find P T is this T given E? I think this is what it is. Yeah. So this is find the probability that they like telepathy given that we know they're already from England, okay? So that means you look at just this column and you look at the probability. So given England, you look at the probability of being telepathic, which in this case is 44 over 200.
Yeah.
Okay, so given that the student did not choose super strength, what is the probability that this child is from England? Oh, okay. Given that they did not choose super strength. So that means given they are, I guess, in here and here. Given this is one of these complement inclusion exclusion things again. Given they did not choose super strength. Okay. So then what you do is you find the total here. So that would be 200 minus 20. So that would be 180. And then you divide it by the rest, like the rest total that could be there. So, right.
Oh.
You see, like, the amount that would be in England is just this and this. Right? That's what this is. And then you need it for the whole thing, which is this and this. So that's going to be P not SS times probability of England. Yeah, I think that might be right. I'm doing it from like the chart. So that's going to be 180 plus 215 minus 23 plus 415 minus 43. Oh, but they want the write yours as a probability statement using correct symbols for the events. Oh. Uh, 415. Well, I would have. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. You're so right. Yeah, sorry. I'm a fucking dumbass. Yeah, sorry. This is. Well, it's. Yes, thank you. It's 415 minus 43. Thank you, math major. Okay, yeah. How do you do it in terms of probability statements?
It's
So he
like
said-
you have to use the union or the
Yeah, he's
in,
saying like
right.
probability of not super strength.
So the
times
complement
probability
or
of yeah, the complement times the probability of England. Yeah, okay. I remember how this works. Okay, one sec. It's I need to figure out what this is. It's conditional probability. Yeah, this is what I want. Okay. So the probability of A given B is the probability of A and B divided by the probability of B. Okay.
Alright.
So the probability of England given not super strength, so like not super strength, okay, is going to equal to the probability of England and super strength divided by the probability of super strength. Your assumption is that it is not super strength, so not ass goes after the vertical line. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Yeah, that's fine. So I think this is what you want to say. Oh, wait. No, I fucked up. I'm, like, messing up everywhere. It's this. Probability of England and not super strength divided by the probability of... Yeah, not super strength. Is this right? This literally just spelled penis?
nice, dude. Nice.
Nice.
What?
That's why I chose that question.
Dude,
man.
what is up with your fucking stats homework? Dude, I was drawing a vagina with Venn diagrams. Now I just literally spelled penis with conditional statements. That's too fucking funny. Oh my god. Okay.
Dude, I got a freaky teacher, bro. I'm sorry.
Dude,
I got a
I'm
freak-
like, yo, what's going on here?
Bro, he was talking. Dude, the wackest shit, bro. I'm telling you, bro. He was talking about like receiving head in class, out of pocket, bro.
Oh man.
Bro, I'm
Yeah.
telling you, bro.
Yeah.
Dude,
Little
I go to
weird.
like the prep school. Dude, no, he's some like crazy teacher, bro. Like, he's
Oh,
hella
he can't
good,
get
but it's-
fired. You go to a private school, right?
Yeah. No,
Yeah,
trust
they
me, he can
won't- they
definitely
won't-
get fired.
They won't fire these guys though. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. In a public school, dude, he'd have a fucking lawsuit on him right now. But yeah, private school teachers get away with whatever. Yeah.
No,
that's
he's
hilarious.
funny though. He's funny. I
Well,
like
at least
him.
he's funny. Yeah. Yeah. The second he makes somebody uncomfortable though, then it becomes an issue. That's the problem. Then it's
Nah, no, our class is full of guys.
there you go.
It's
Yeah,
it's all guys.
it's
so.
it's what they call locker room talk at that point. Yeah, you can say whatever you want.
It's sure brother.
Yes, sir. Okay, what's the next one?
63.
Body image. Wow, this is getting heavy. No pun intended. Yeah, that's the correct way, math major. That's the logic way to do it. Yeah, what's up, Michael? And them, they're asking questions. That's cool. Explain line integrals. I do cover all these things. Yeah. Okay. A random sample. Yeah, that's a nice one too. I like that one too, Pen Center. Okay, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Given that the person perceive... Oh, no. Come back. Come back. Okay, I'll go. Okay, given that is about right... Wait. Given that the person perceived is about right... Oh, okay. What is the probability the person is female? Okay. So about right is this. So probability of female is going to be 560 over 560 plus 295. Okay.
Alright.
If the person selected is female, what's the probability that she did not perceive her body as overweight? Okay, so that would be this. And so that would be 37 plus 560 over 560 plus 163 plus 37. Because not overweight is underweight and about right. That's what this is. And then divided by the just all the females. Okay. Cool. All right, what's the next one?
65.
Okay. Open.
Wait, Dr. Gold, do you play Warframe? Or is that just
I haven't in a while. I used to.
really?
Yeah.
Yeah, no,
That's a fun
that
one.
game, dude, it runs on my life force. I
When
think.
did this game come out though? It's an old one, right?
Warframe? Yeah, dude, it's
Yeah.
mad old.
Yeah, 2015.
It's actually not mad old, but
Yeah, this is a real old game. Yeah, I used to play back in like college.
really, yeah,
Yeah.
it's a grinder for sure, but I like it.
He's like, I have no time for Warframe. Too busy
I
buying.
don't, dude. The only time.
Too busy buying plastic bottle vodka and shitty oregano weed.
No, dude. I can. Okay, first off,
Probably get
that's
good
your
cushion.
first misconception. bro.
Were you in South Carolina or North Carolina?
North.
See, if you're in South Carolina, you can go down to Georgia at least.
No, dude, I met this plug when I was out fishing at like 9 at night.
Oh, okay.
It was chill, bro. It's chill.
He's a chill guy. Nice.
Yes, bro.
What's the probability that the student is studying a language other than English? Ooh. Interesting. Okay.
So you just add up everything except for none, right?
Yeah, everything except for. Wait, what? What is the probability the student is studying a language other than English? Oh. It's just, well, no, it's just 1 minus 0.59. Right? Because this was like, are you studying a language other than English? And then there's a selection for none. These should all add up to, yeah, it should add up to 1. Yeah. It's just 1 minus 0.59.
Wait. Okay. Right. So like, hear me out.
Yeah.
Why wouldn't we just like add up Spanish, French, German, all others instead of doing none?
You could. I
Because-
think you'd get the same answer. It's
Oh
just-
wait, that's
You want to get there faster, right?
yeah. Oh, dude, I see what you're doing.
Yeah.
No, I see what you're doing.
See, I like
wasn't
everything has to
registering
add
for
up
a
to 1
second.
eventually at some point. Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. I got you.
Okay, what is the probability that a student is studying Spanish? Oh, given that she is studying some language other than English. Okay, interesting. Sorry, I gotta refresh this page. 1 second. It's mad at me. Once we go over the 3-hour mark, it gets mad at me.
Oh, do you have like a certain time frame that you like?
No, I just have to restart it. It's fine.
Oh, I got you.
It's just, yeah. Okay, what is the probability is studying, given that, okay, so that means like just amongst these, okay? So that would be 0.26 over all the other ones together, right? So 0.26 plus 0.09 plus 0.03 plus 0.03. I believe that's how you do that one.
Students studying Spanish given.
So it's like given
Oh.
they're this, given they're not studying English.
Oh, I got you. Yeah. Give me one
No,
sec,
Penn
one
Center
sec.
says no.
What?
Penn, what's up? What's up, Penn? What's up, Penn? The intersection is the numerator, right? Yes. Yeah, he's talking about this definition of it. Penn, what am I doing wrong? How long is the stream gonna be? I don't know. As long as it is, well, you know, I'll go for like another 15, 20 minutes or something. We have been streaming a while. I did want to go to the gym at some point. Where the fuck is my thing here?
Dude, that's another, bro. I need to get like one of those 24-hour gyms, bro. I go
Yeah,
Planet
right, 'cause the
Fitness,
gym-
and
the
they
gym-
shut. Yeah,
They shut. Yeah, I know, it sucks.
crazy, bro. It's crazy.
Are you talking about this one? Penn Center? So the probability of Spanish given, and it's like not none, is the equal to the probability of Spanish and not none over the probability of Spanish, or over the probability of not none. So isn't that this Penn Center? Isn't it 0.26? And the probability of not none is all of them added up. No, I mean, you know, my brain's kind of fried after 3 hours, but you tell me. I think this is right.
Wait, so wait, hear me out. Since it's like other than English, can't we just use like the thing from last time and it just be 0.41 on the bottom, and then we just do Spanish on top?
Correct.
That's
Yeah, you could.
0.26. All right, yeah.
Yeah. Bro, I'm just an idiot. No, you're super good. You're a gem, Penn. We love you, dude.
You win.
Good job.
I always want Spanish on top. Oh, true. Definitely better than German. Kind of rough. Plus, I can't pronounce their safe words.
Bro, I need me a Latina girl, bro.
You need you a Latina girl, dude.
Yes,
Wow,
bro.
dude. You're such a younger me, dude. It's hilarious. You'll get there. Don't worry. It's a shame you don't like you. Have you ever been to South America? South America is actually like quite great.
No, bro. Honestly, only time I've been out of the country, I went to Canada one time for like a fishing trip. And
Oh wow, you went to
then
Penn
I went-
Center's country.
Really, Penn
Penn
Center.
Center. How many Latinas are up in Canada? Probably
Bro,
not very
fucking zero. I can answer that for him.
many. Penn Center's like Canada. Yee. Penn Center's from Canada. Yeah, go learn Spanish. Go learn Spanish. Do you know Spanish?
Me?
Yeah.
Hola, me llamo Will.
There you go. Me llamo Will. Okay, that's we're starting.
That's a good start. That's a good start. I mean,
Latina girls appreciate if you can speak Spanish.
show I care, you know.
Show I can. There is one Latina in Canada. It's Justin Trudeau. Oh no, Justin. He kind of does look like a woman.
No, I went up to like northern Saskatchewan. That's where I went. I fished at some place called like Reindeer Lake.
Okay.
It was cool though. I wonder if Penn knows that. That'd be crazy.
Reindeer Lake, Penn Center. Let us know if you know about Saskatchewan and Reindeer Lake. Okay, what's the next one you need help with?
He said, "Fuck Reindeer Lake, my man."
My man, dude. He says, my
Dude,
man.
I met some guy up there. I don't remember his name, but he was like some like actual Native American from like Saskatchewan. And dude, he had no teeth because oh, actually I'm not gonna say that, but he has no teeth. Bro,
we can fill in the blank.
while we were out there, he was our guide. Dude, he accidentally there was a moose like in the water. And like
There was
he
a moose?
accidentally hit it with because the moose was like swimming, I guess. I don't know.
What the fuck?
But
What are the
dude,
moose doing in the lake? He hit it with the boat?
Yes, he hit it with the boat.
Oh god.
Then he was like, "Oh, we got dinner for tonight."
Oh my god.
Oh,
Wait, he
man.
killed the moose? He killed the moose with his boat?
Yes. Yes.
Moose are very big animals. I don't know many other vehicles that could take out a moose. Moose abuse. Oh man. Oh man. Okay, here, give me like 1 or 2 more, cause then I want to go to the gym before it closes.
Yeah, I got you, bro. I got you, bro.
Alright. Pick 1 or 2 more.
Can we do some of the 100? Can we do 104, 106?
Yeah, let's do it. 104, 116. Do you even? I don't think you printed that up that high. You printed up to 103. How much homework are you behind on, dog? What?
Dude, I'm like, it's actually crazy. It's actually crazy. I'm telling you, dude. Like, I do not do my homework. Dude, homework is the biggest waste of time.
Yeah, this stuff
I
is.
think-
I agree. This stuff is just monotonous. I agree. Homework is not a waste of time if you're using it to practice and get better at stuff.
What am I allowed to say? Actually, you know what? If I have to
You can say
question, I'm
whatever
probably
the
not
fuck you
gonna
want.
say it.
No, you can say whatever you want. It's fine.
Oh, well, I'm gonna say if you don't know it by now, you're a fucking retard.
Okay, there you go. Yeah, I get it. Yeah. Well, some kids need all the practice they can get. I think homework should be optional. And like, but the problem is that like if you make it optional, every brick is gonna think they're a sponge, when that's not really the case. You know about this?
What do you mean? What do you mean?
So a sponge is
Bro,
someone
I don't
who
even
gets.
care about the homework, bro. I just want to talk about this, bro. I want to
Okay,
hear
yeah.
what you're saying.
Yeah, so a sponge is someone who gets the information really quickly, right? That's a sponge. Like they absorb it like super fast, right? Other
Yeah.
people, like it takes a lot longer, so we call them bricks. Like stuff kind of just bounces off them. They don't really fucking get it. So, homework is meant to like turn everyone eventually, into someone who understands the material. The issue
Oh, no,
is
homework's good. I'm not gonna lie. Homework's good.
yeah.
It's good for you.
But some people need more homework than others, right? So the issue is that like people who are sponges don't need as much homework because they'll get it quicker. So they're fine. They're reinforced. They're great. Bricks need all the homework they can get in order to get it. But the issue with society is that a lot of bricks think they're sponges, but they're not. And so like they're like, oh, I don't need to do this. I'm fine. But like, it's better to have the opposite problem, to like be a sponge, be smart, and think you're a brick. Like think you're dumb. If you're smart and you think you're dumb, you'll always be like at least overcompensating or something. I don't know. This Cosmic says I'm more of a towel. Oh man. Okay. Anyways, here, just pick another one. Pick another one that's underneath 104. I don't know.
All right, underneath 104. All right.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let me see if I got any more evens in there.
Yeah, go get me an even.
No, I don't have any more evens actually.
Oh, so we're like done?
No. 69. 69. Can you do 69?
Nice.
Okay, yeah, we'll do 69. That's fine. It says it incentivizes kids to study regularly, which is a good habit to learn. I agree. A lot of the stuff you do in school is not necessarily directly useful, but it's like the same thing as being at the gym, right? When I like do the bench press, how many times in my real life am I actually going to have to bench press something? Not very often. But the act of doing it means that I develop muscles that, say for instance, when I got to like push some like drunk asshole off me, like I have that strength because I did the bench press at the gym. There aren't like drunk assholes at the gym that I can just practice on. It doesn't really work.
Dr. Gold, hit a quick bicep flex.
Bicep.
Whichever's your strongest arm, man. Oh, you're hiding it, bro. You're hiding.
I got the
it.
long
Oh my
sleeve
God.
on, dude.
No, no, you have the sleeper build. We'll just say you have the sleeper build.
I have my Instagram. Here, I'll show you like my Instagram. It's fine. Whatever. I do like fitness. Fitness is like a very important thing to me. Here you can. This is me like boxing or something like a year or two ago. I was in like much.
Dude, were you like paragliding or something?
No, this is 1 second. Let me find me. This is me. I was in pretty good shape like a year or two ago.
Oh yeah, for sure, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, so did you did boxing or did you do like Muay Thai?
My friend here
Thai.
he's a boxing gym guy. Like that's his personal training that he does, and he was like giving me a free class. Yeah.
For sure. No, dude, because I did Muay Thai, bro. Honestly, bro, I might be a dude. I probably got turned more into a brick, bro, because I got smacked so many times in my head.
Yeah, and I guarantee you the shitty vodka isn't helping. No.
Oh no, I never said it was. Dude, we're going to for my like senior trip. There, we're going to like Turks and Caicos.
Oh, that's a cool place. Yeah.
Yeah,
Korean.
no, we went there once for my sister, dude. I mean, I have to save up money. That's why I'm
But
working
now,
right
but
now.
now
so I
you're
can
like,
save up
now you're
money.
18, so you can actually do things.
Oh no, dude, I took my buddy's ID last time because we look pretty
Oh,
similar.
Okay. All right, you got a fake. All right, I got you. All right, do whatever.
No fake, bro. Getting fakes is such a scam, bro. I'm gonna be honest. Like,
Yes.
just ask, bro. Just hey, Mister is the meta. All right,
Hey, Mister is the meta. What?
dude. I'm
What? What?
dude.
Sorry,
I'm banned.
explain this "Hey, Mister" meta to me real quick. Wait, what?
You never. You. It's just like, hey, Mister, can you buy
What do
me
you-
some alcohol?
Oh, so you go up to the 7-Eleven and find some like suspecting adult to like buy you booze.
7-Eleven, bro. I'm in the big leagues, bro. The ABC
Okay.
is where I go.
Oh wow. Okay. All right. All right.
The big
Yeah.
leagues. All right.
I had a connect in college for sure. I had a friend
Really?
that-
You had a
that-
connect?
Well, I would invite him to the parties in exchange for him like doing all the runs for us. Yeah,
Oh,
it
the
was
beer
kind of like
runs.
a hey mister stuff. One second, let me go through chat real quick. You don't know what you're gonna know. Blah 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 blah. All my students who say there is too much homework are always the ones that need it the most. I agree, math major. That's the sponges and bricks, dude. All the bricks think they're sponges. When I have to push a drunk asshole off me, you mean when I visit you? We can be drunk assholes to each other, Pen. We can push each other off each other. That'll be fun. Do you go to Gold's Gym? I used to go to Gold's Gym in Venice. I did when I lived in Venice. I live in like Santa Monica now, so it's too much of a commute.
Oh, you lived in Venice? That's crazy.
I lived in Venice, California. Yeah, not Venice, Italy. Venice.
Oh,
Venice.
bro, I thought
like
you lived
Venice
in like
Beach.
Venice.
No,
I was like-
Venice Beach.
You lived in Venice Beach?
Venice Beach, yeah. Yeah, that's where Arnold Schwarzenegger goes. Yeah, it's a very cool gym. And it was gold, so I kind of had to go to it.
Isn't that like the world renowned?
It is.
pretty
It's the
much?
Mecca. Yeah, they call it the Mecca. It's where all the bodybuilders are. They like you go in and it's super inspiring because they have all these like Mr. Olympiad fucking photos up on the wall because all of like the biggest people in weightlifting trained at that gym. And I saw John Cena
That's
there.
specific,
once.
like that specific.
That
gym?
specific gym. I saw John Cena like bench pressing once there, and like I wanted to go up to him and just be like, "Yo, you need a spot." Like John Cena. Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, Penn, come to LA. We'll go to Gold's Gym. I'll show you. There's always like celebrities and like muscle mommies there. It's fun. Okay. In one large city, 40% of all households own a dog. Okay, so 40% own a dog. 32% own a cat.
Oh, wait, this is just 50. This is just 50%. This is just
18%
50%.
own both. Suppose we randomly choose a household and learn that the household owns a cat. Find the probability that they own... Whoa. Oh, no, not necessarily. So, probability of dog given cat. This is what we...
Oh, wait. I only read the last part. That's my bad.
Yeah, no. So, this is probability of dog and cat. You have to know this equation, dog. It's this one.
No, I know it. It's
Okay.
just like I don't put it into practice.
All right, that's why you need to do more homework.
No. Oh, God. Are you calling me a brick? Are you calling me a brick?
Oh, you call me a brick dog? Okay. Over probability of cat. Okay. So dog and cat, that's 18%. So 0.18. And then probability of cat is 0.32. So I don't know what the fuck that is. What is that? It's 9 over 16. 9/16. I should know that. Oh man, is that 0.675? What's 9/16? Oh. Bro, stop being a brick. Yo, Penn Centers tell you to stop being a brick, dog.
Dude, I literally saw that in chat, and I was like, oh my God. I didn't say
0.5625. 0.5625, yes.
Right,
Yeah.
Vincent, bro. It's on
Good to
site.
see you, Matt, dude. Thanks, man, for coming by. Yeah, it's cool. I love having the whole math community here is fucking great. Thanks for coming by, Matt. I appreciate that question you gave us earlier. That was a really fun one. Please, yeah, if I ever look bored again, I would love to go through those Putnam math questions. Those are really fun. Okay. Anyways, all right. I gotta go to the gym and stuff, but does this help you out? Yeah.
You're good, bro.
Cool.
Yeah.
Happy
Yeah,
early
it's
fucking
been real.
birthday to you. You know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You know, it's been real.
I'm working on my birthday though, cause I gotta make bread.
Okay, yeah,
I'm
make
gonna make
bread. Don't kill yourself. And you know, happy birthday
Nah,
to you.
that's a definite. That's a definite.
I know the temptation it is to go like just fucking wild on your 18th, man, but like just don't die.
No,
please.
bro. Literally, bro. It's on a school night, so even if I wanted to, realistically, I couldn't.
Well, good. Yeah. It's
I
like
mean,
what
I
they do-
could, but like,
they do this with the high school kids with prom. Like they like sanction like or it's at graduation. It's called like Operation Graduation, where they make a party after graduation and they force all the kids to go to it so that people don't go do their own celebrations and like die. I don't know if they do that in Canada. They do it in America for sure. Yeah, it's a whole thing.
Dude, for our school, since we got a small school, all the teachers come too and they get like shit-faced.
Oh, that's fun. Nice.
Yeah, it is, dude, because it's like teachers that you see, like that you seen in like 7th grade, bro, are like getting shit-faced with you. And
All right, cool.
All right. Well, it's been real. It's been
all right,
real.
for sure, dude.
Appreciate
Happy
it.
birthday, dude. I'll see you around, dude. Peace.
For sure.
All right, cool. What's up, Mondo? Good to see you. All right, thank you everyone for to office hours today. Had a super fun long stream. What did we hit? 3 hours 15? Fuck yeah. Mondo, teachers coming to get hammered. Keck W. All right, awesome. Thanks everyone for coming around. Had a great time. That's our last stream of the week. If you play Fortnite, we're gonna do a Fortnite tournament on Saturday. Check the Discord for the rules. Giving out V-Bucks. Thank you, WStream. I appreciate all you guys. What's up, Fembox? And then, yeah, our next stream will be on Monday. That's going to be at 3 p.m. Pacific, 5 p.m. Central, 6 p.m. Eastern. Make sure to come on by, get your help right before Thanksgiving with your homework. If you want to follow some other awesome math streamers, there's all their Twitches. Go say hi to them. And then if you want to figure out when they stream, we have a calendar set up. You can see when all of our friends and us are streaming. So it looks like Zach's got the next stream tomorrow. All right, awesome. Let's go. That stream is going strong. Yeah, it is, dude. Yeah, we've been going here. Let's go raid somebody. Who am I gonna go raid? Moo Hoodles short stream. Okay, she said short stream. We could watch High Potential go to bed. Dude, what? This guy trips me out, bro. He streams for like 300 hours straight. Back from surgery, Minecraft. You know, yeah, that's a bunch of cool stuff. Whatsoever. I want to say hi to. I don't know. Go say hi to Moo Hoodles. She's fun. Cool. All right. Awesome. Have a wonderful rest of your week. Have a wonderful Wednesday. We will see you guys on Monday. Peace.